3, 2, and we are live! We are live! Yes, with True, with the one. Hang on, because I noticed that on your stream you called me the vloggiest of vloggies or something. The truest of the trues.
The true is true, and the vloggiest of the vloggies together again.
Together again. Just when we thought that this game was over, there's a completely new game.
Oh,
Oh no! Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put the headset down and tweet the stream out real quick. Oh, I see your stream. This time I have your stream on my screen, not mine. Yeah, I have yours. I can see you. I see you there. Alright, so I'm gonna put the headset down so I tweet on the stream. Right.
But hello to the nobody watching my stream. I gotta put on.
And he's here. Okay, let me put
This
up
is where
chat because I
everybody's
haven't seen
gonna be.
chat. Hold on. Let me put up chat real quick. Okay, yo, Mac Knight. Wait, you need an extra survivor? Yes, by all means, if you want to join us, feel free to do so. Yes, hairless salmon or salmon.
Hairless slamming.
It's supposed to be salmon, but he
It looks
mistyped
like
it.
slamming.
He mistyped it.
And Emily, hey Em, I haven't seen you in forever.
Hey, Emily. Hello, Emily. Hello. All right, let's set up
The
this.
official
Let's set up a
name.
room.
Oh yeah, you set it up because I probably don't have all the cool stuff you do.
I'm not gonna do infinite ammo. It's not fair. I mean, we can do it next
Well,
time.
I saw that you can actually you don't even need the like codes or sheets. It's like when you go online here, you can select a room
Really?
that automatically gives you unlimited ammo.
Oh, really? Oh, I thought I had to unlock
Yeah.
them from mine. Okay, but let's not do that. Come on, let's do it
Oh,
legit.
Emily's here, my channel. Oh,
Yeah,
Emily,
Emily.
her present. How are you, Emily? I hope all is well in the nursing world.
In the nursing world. Is it anything like Scrubs? Like
Is it like Scrubs? That would be awesome.
TV show?
Let's all work together in the same hospital.
Next.
You and I are definitely Turk and JD.
is there a mean janitor?
Is there a who could be the mean janitor? Emily? Oh, not Emily. No, Emily's gonna be. Emily would have to be Turk's wife. So your wife, yep.
I am Turk.
You're totally Turk.
I'm Turk.
You're a much better dancer than I am. I know that from seeing your videos. So.
I never thought of myself as Turk. I always thought of myself as JD because JD
Alright,
is a
well.
bit daydreamer and.
Oh, that's true.
And
That's true. I'll be JD. I'll just have to learn how to dance better.
I mean, even the character you choose in Outbreak is more Turk. Yeah,
That's
please.
true. I did choose a very turkey character.
That is Turk. Enter lobbies.
Oh, I'm not even logged into the website for this anymore, and it still keeps my login information.
Wow, amazing.
You have to log in every time?
Well, actually, before I got ready, I just went on the forums and I logged in just to be on the safe side. I don't know.
Okay.
I don't know if it would, but
Hey, did you tweet this out or not?
Did
I
I?
don't see your tweet.
Did I?
No,
Did I?
Loggy.
Did I not? I thought I pressed send.
You-
Really?
you tweet
Oh,
failed.
come on. Did I fail tweet? Hold on.
Fail tweeted. You fail
Seriously?
tweet pretty hard here.
What the heck?
I'm doing good, Emily. It's my
It's true. It's
my
not
day
there.
off. It's
What the what?
Sunday for me, so
I'll get up again.
I'm gonna do a little outbreaking.
And
then I have to
May Bob
get
bless
some stuff
those
done.
brave enough. May Bob bless.
Oh, may Bob
There's
bless.
still traces of
Bob.
Bob in this game.
God bless you all.
Help me.
Really, Loggy. I need a lot of help.
So, free area, I suppose. Oh, there's one that says infinity. Hold on, yeah. If I go on, it says infinitive bullets. Oh, yeah. What's that?
That's a Snapchat. not that I'm not focused on this game.
Begin a game with automatically selected partners. No. So what do I do?
Yeah, you tell me where you go because I have never even
don't
started.
know. Look over. You are pressing a rank. 3. What is this? What is this? I don't know, huh? Quick start. Available rooms. Okay, so getting information. Alright, wow, there's people.
I'm here taking my socks off.
There's
Are
actually
we
people
looking
in
at
this.
Are people actually playing?
Yeah, there's a room. Well, there's one room.
Wow.
And when I tested it, there was others. So. Alright, so that's that.
You let me know where. Are
Password
you going a
is gonna
free
be-
area?
Yes, password's gonna be, I don't know, ABC123. Actually, yeah, it's ABC123. If Mac actually, it's ABC1. It lets you type it in, and then it shrinks it down to
Yeah,
4
it looks-
characters.
That works. ABC one.
I think Mac
How do
Knight's
I-
gone. Mac Knight is gone. No! Alright, number of players. Let's say 4 anyway. Weight limit. No, very hard. Easy.
Weight limit? Are you trying to say something? What are you trying to say?
Wait, as in wait. How?
Oh.
Wait there. Stop. Wait. Not.
What are you trying to say about Mark?
Oh! Wild things, and I'm gonna be Kevin. Ooh, how many outfits? Look at all the outfits. I'm gonna go with the classic since it's the first scenario. So
Oh, I bet I don't have any of those outfits.
I have.
You have.
I have. All right, so the room is
Beach
ready.
belly.
I'm gonna put the headset down. I'm gonna check what happened with the tweet. I'll be right back. Hold on.
Okay. Oh, there we go. Wild things. We get wild in here. Mark.
I did fail, but I pressed it now.
Yeah.
So we're good. Let's make sure.
Okay. I'm in.
You're in? Yes. Oh, 3? 3. I think Mac Knight's here then. There's 3 people
Is he?
in the room. Yeah.
Oh,
Is
there
it
are
Mac-
3 people.
Mac
Wow,
Knight
he's like a
is-
ninja.
I mean, I said the password out loud, so somebody must be watching the stream. Either yours or mine.
Yeah. Unless a hacker got in here, like,
Oh, unless there's a way. Mac Knight, is it you?
yeah, is
Alright.
it you?
Anyway, let's start. We'll see. Mia, RE7, hi. What? Did you see that in chat?
Whoa, who is Mia? What the? How did they get your password so easily?
Oh my goodness. Well, I mean, in all fairness, I don't know if it's Knight. It doesn't look like Knight is here,
That
unless he's
doesn't
pulling
sound
on
like
leg.
Knight's name.
Well, let's have fun with this guy, girl. Hi, YouTube.
Hi.
Somebody's watching.
Oh, somebody's
Somebody's
watching.
watching me.
Somebody watching. Somebody watching my
Goodness.
streams all over this. Okay.
Unless it's Emily. Emily, are you blaming Knight and it's you?
No way.
No, it's not. Oh, it's
Emily
a Cindy.
Emily
must
secretly
be a girl.
plays. Is it Amy? Is Amy trolling us?
No, I don't think so.
Amy plays Cindy.
Yeah. Okay, there's some cutscenes here. They're interesting.
Okay.
This is awesome.
Oh, we're at a zoo? That's a terrible idea.
Yeah.
Oh no, zombie horses?
That's a zebra.
A zebra zombie? Too many Z's.
Look at that. Look at that. Can you see what that is?
Oh, a gorilla. That's not good. And like a baby deer, I guess. I don't know. A zombie baby deer might be pretty dangerous.
I'm gonna see a lot of
How did
that.
the zombies? How did the zombies even get that gorilla? That gorilla would mess those zombies up so bad.
I don't know. All it requires is a bite to get infected, and not a zebra.
Oh man, they ate a lot. There's a lot of zebras at the raccoon zoo.
Oh, look at that. It's a rhino.
Oh, that's good. A rhino. How on earth did zombies take down a rhino?
Now what? Which one is this?
Oh, zombie elephants.
Yeah,
And apparently,
baby.
apparently it hates zombies. That's ironic.
Alright,
To the
if you are
citizens
watching
of
whoever this is,
Raccoon
Mia from
City.
RE7, okay? We are noobs at this, so please bear with us. That's
Yeah,
one.
this-
And two, don't spoil it for us. Try not to
Yeah.
ruin the experience because we want to discover stuff.
What the hell?
That looks like the city zoo's rear gate. If a rescue team's on the way, I'd better hurry.
A rescue
kind
team's
of a
supposed to
bad
meet us at the
feeling
zoo?
about this.
Exactly.
But it looks
what?
like I should check it
Seriously?
out.
What? Who would pick that spot?
I don't know. It's like
Meet
saying,
at an empty park.
yeah, it's like saying, oh, the rescue chopper is gonna be on top of a very infected hospital. We're gonna land there.
Yeah.
Okay, we'll see you there.
Yeah, what could possibly go wrong?
Oh, Resident
Uh,
Evil. Oh, she's in my chat. I'm Mia. There she is.
I'm
Okay.
Mia. Oh,
Hello.
hello, Resident
Welcome.
Evil.
Nice to see you.
It's a very Resident Evil-y name. Oh, that's a lot of. Got some
I
sprays
found
over here.
handgun rounds. Oh, another gun on the floor. I'll pick it up actually because I don't know. Now the texture of the floor looks a bit weird here, but
Oh yeah, wait, I gotta figure out the new control situation.
there's a zombie there. Hold on, I need to put my gun.
Are you crazy?
So how do I walk and shoot? You said that's the
Oh,
thing.
hold L1 and L2 at the same time. Again, I don't know your controller, but if you hold L1 and L2 at the same time,
Somebody help me.
she's fighting zombies already.
Oh yeah, look
You
at
see
me.
how cool? Help me, please! Dun, dun, dun.
Kevin! Help me!
'Cause this is thriller.
Whoa, something's up with my like
The floor
graphics
as well.
thing. The street is like a mirror.
Yeah, exactly, even mine. But it's just that, because I tested it. It's just that. Alright, we need to go through that door. For sure. Alright, let's do this. Uh-oh.
Good
Ah,
job,
she's,
Resident.
she's shooting it.
Good
Don't
job,
shoot
Resident
it.
Evil.
Conserve ammo.
Let's.
Help me, please. Try.
Wait, I
you
gotta
try,
put it like
because
that.
you have more weight.
Hey, wait a minute.
You're a juggernaut.
Help me.
Help me, please. Please.
about to
Oh,
help.
nice.
Thanks.
Football through the door.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Does it do the heartbeat thing?
Let's
Yes,
go.
it does. Alright, so now we're here.
Gotta quit my gun.
Sweet, sweet herbage.
Oh, that herbage. We got a bunch of first aid sprays.
Ooh,
Right at the
so
beginning.
close to the zombie.
Oh,
There's a
running past
shotgun.
him.
There's a shotgun. Shotgun.
Oh, get it.
Yes, got it. Nice.
Now run
Shotgun
away.
E. It's why is it shotgun
Uh,
E? What is this? What is
E?
this? Pamphlet. Yes, I'll pick it up. Thank you very much. I don't know what it says. No time to read.
Readings for nerds. Just
Readings
go.
for nerds. So that's me. Let's
Should we go? Should we go in that door?
We have to go through here, I think. Hang on, let me just
it's
check if it's
locked
locked,
again?
just in case. Yeah, it says it's fragile. So.
I gotta unequip my gun again. Oh, hey, Dada Rosa in the house. What's up, Dada Rosa?
Hang on, let me shoot.
Roro, me.
Oh, she's
Although
taking
now
shots. That's
now he's the original recipe.
Resident. Yeah.
Thank you.
Good job, mysterious Resident Evil person.
She's very familiar with the game, unlike us. We're just bunch of noobs. She's probably rolling her eyes up right now. Going like, noobs. Streamers get good. Streamers get
Stupid
good.
nubs.
Hey, but we opened the door.
Yeah, look at us in our sweet shoulder kicking skills.
Dada's like, Drew doesn't like you. I thought he liked me.
Oh, Dada's always talking that trash.
There's another handgun here. Unless I don't know if you require one, but there's a handgun here. And
I already have a handgun
oh,
and
sweet
ammo.
herbage. Sweet herbage.
Ooh, get that herbage.
Yeah. Oh no.
Some sort of notebook. I'm sure it does something. I don't know. Whoa, she's shooting a door over here. She's shooting a door, and she shot the door open.
There's a broom here if you need a broom. we mentioned the janitor.
Does
so-
Mia have unlimited ammo? Because Mia just used like 30 bullets to open that door.
No, I don't think so. Wait, is she? I don't know. I'm looking at her inventory and it doesn't even show a gun. Actually, I don't know. I don't-
Oh yeah, I don't know. Got a bolt cutter though. I'm guessing we need that for something.
Is she shouting? I didn't hear her because I keep.
Where are you? Oh, there you go. No, I
Is
can't.
she pushing the door from the other side?
Why?
Is she?
Yeah.
Oh wait, this is the door she shot over. Oh, it's a lock.
Is she on the other side?
She's on the other
Oh,
side
jeez!
of that door.
What the- How did she get here? How did
That's the door
she?
she shot open. I'm pretty sure.
Whoa! Oh, there's a knife. Is this a knife? Hold on.
Help me.
Bandage. Oh, I don't need a bandage. Wow, bandage? Really?
Hey, you!
Interesting. Did she get the key? No. Where's the key? We need a key. There's a. No, this is a gun.
Hey, does my character not say "help me, please"? 'Cause I'm gonna quit
She's
this game
helping.
right
She's
now.
like, help.
Help me! Help me! Help!
Hey, you! Yeah.
Help me!
Your voice changed.
Help!
No.
Help! Help!
I don't say "help me, please" anymore.
You're like this. Help!
Somebody
Help!
help me! Somebody help me!
Mia sounds so like cute and innocent when she says "somebody help me." It's kind of sad.
Where's the key? Does anybody have the key? We need. Oh no, the bolt cutter. She got them. Yes, it's the bolt cutter.
Yeah,
it's not
she
the
got
key.
'em.
Yeah, I thought we needed the key. No, it's
What do we
Yeah.
bolt cut with that though?
the gate for the zoo. You know.
Oh,
I'm gonna
we
wait
go
next.
through the door?
I'm gonna wait next to the entrance. Mac Knight.
I
Mac
went through
Knight,
a
come
door.
join
I went
us,
through a
bro.
door.
I mean, I don't think you can now, but come on, you're welcome to join us next session when we die in like 5 minutes.
I went through a door. Follow us.
I
What's
went
her
through.
name?
I
Went
went
out
throughout
here.
the door, the same one we came through, and I mean, the same one we went in. I'm just gonna wait by the gate. That's all where we have to go anyway. Hey, Jan to Cube, Jan to you. Welcome.
Jan.
Nice to see you.
Jan tube. Hello, Jantube.
Oh,
there you
she's
are.
by the gate as well. Where are you? I'm not leaving you
I'm
behind.
behind you.
I'm not leaving you behind. Where are
Don't leave me behind.
Help! Help! Help!
you? How do I call you?
Kevin! Cindy! Mark! Kevin!
There you go. She
Oh.
did it. Look what she's gonna say. Listen to what she's gonna say.
Next time, I want to come on a nice Sunday afternoon.
Wow.
Actually, one of them says, "Might as well have a little fun while we're here." What? What?
These people.
Okay, McKnight confirms it's not him. No. Anyway, and she did confirm that it's
Okay.
her.
Alright, well,
But
Resident
yeah, I
Evil
mean,
is-
you can join us if we start a new one. I don't know how this is gonna go. She knows what she's doing, though, huh? She knows what she's doing.
Looks like it.
Oh.
What the hell? Oh, that was quick. We already have to deal with the zombie elephant.
Now, usually zombie infection slows the infected down. He walks even slower. But this guy is like supercharged. This elephant, like, suckers.
Elephant DNA reacts differently here. Oh, Jesus,
Run!
run away! Oh, it ran the wrong way. Run back around this way.
Run! This elephant smells.
Cindy, run!
Run, Cindy!
Oh,
This
oh,
way,
I went
this
in a
way, this
circle.
way, this way,
That was
this way,
terrible
this
idea.
way.
I can't see anything.
Help!
Even might help me.
Help! Help me, please!
Come
Help!
on, come on. Can somebody pick up the herbage? He's going away, I think.
I'm full on.
I think
I'm
he's going
full on
away.
first aid.
He sat down. He's down. Oh, he took off. He's gone.
Yes.
It's chilling over there. Okay.
There's some sweet herbage here.
Kevin!
I got 3 first aid sprays, so.
Okay, you're good. Okay. Which way do we go now? I have no idea.
Well, there's a door here.
Let's
Is there a
start.
door over
Yeah,
here?
start from this door over here. The one over here. This.
Oh,
Oh,
okay.
It's locked. Hold on. It's open. It's locked. I mean, so it's that one, the one you were looking at.
Okay.
Kevin!
Alright.
He's calling me. Hold on. Cindy's
What?
calling me. I don't know. Cindy's
What
calling.
does Cindy
Oh, she's
want? What do
offering
you
me
want?
something. She's offering me something.
What do you
Hold
want, bruh?
on. She's offering me something. Mixed herb. Okay, I'll give you the. Oh, come by. Okay. How do I say thanks?
Mark!
Okay.
Cindy! Kevin!
Good.
Hey, vlogging player.
My,
What
my
the
character just said, uh-huh.
was this hard difficulty or
No.
no, Jen? It's our first time playing it, so we went on easy. Playing it safe for now.
Oh, I went through a door.
Was she
Somebody
calling
help
you?
me. I'm scared.
Man, I hate this map and Underbelly. Yes, Underbelly. All these maps are hard, actually. I think all these maps are hard, to be honest with you. Outbreak is the first Outbreak. Personally, I think it's easier.
Oh, yeah.
Don't you think it looks better visually than the first game, though?
Other than the floor, yeah, it looks
Yeah,
better.
other than the floor, exactly, because the floor.
Oh,
even-
the weird mirror floor.
What is this?
Looks like
Popcorn?
we're
Can I get a
nice.
popcorn? Can I get a bag
Oh,
of popcorn,
yo,
please?
is there churros over there? Loggy, get me a churro. I don't have any
Churro.
money right now.
I only
I'll
had
pay you
a
back,
churro
that's fine.
once in my life. Oh, watch out! Watch out! Zombie hyenas!
Zombie hyenas, what the hell? Hey, Cindy, where's your
No,
gun?
seriously? Okay, he's not dead yet. He's not dead yet. He's still on the floor.
Oh,
Hold
let's
on.
run away. Let's run in this door. I hear bad music happening. Let's run in this door, please.
I'm not
Scared.
sure. I'm not.
Running in this
Oh,
door.
he's kicking him. Oh, GG. Nice.
I'm running away.
Did you
I'm
go through the
running
door?
away.
I'm coming. I'm
You
coming.
guys need to follow me.
Oh, Cheers here.
Hey, what's up, G?
Mac and I just got
Oh,
home.
hey, you got a shotgun, right? There's shotgun rounds here.
Oh, can we climb up from here? Hold on. What's on
Oh
the
yeah,
floor?
what is this? Are we like
What
stuck
is
here?
this? I don't know. I think you picked it up. Let's go. Can we go through here? Yes.
What is
I accidentally. I didn't pick it up. Loggy, the shotgun rounds are yours. I don't have any space, and I
Oh,
don't
you
have
picked up.
shotgun.
Oh, those were shotgun rounds. All right. All right. Okay.
Yeah.
I'll take them.
Go grab them. I'll cover you from up here.
Be careful. Don't stand too close to the windows, cause.
Oh, I learned my lesson.
Oh yeah. Don't stand too close to the windows. That is the best advice that I can
I'll
give you.
cover the windows.
But you'd be surprised what's gonna come out of the windows. It's not what you think.
Oh man.
Help me,
Alright,
please! Actually, bad
Take it-
news. Cheer. The help me, please changed.
Yeah, I know. It's just
Help!
Oh!
It's a fat guy help, huh?
Holy crap!
Yeah,
I
that's
think the elephant just ripped the zombie through the window. On the
exactly. Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out! There's
Could be right.
there's a sweet herbage. Like, look at my sweet herbage. Come pick
I don't
me
want
up.
that herbage. I don't want that
Watch out!
herbage.
Careful! Did you get? Oh, you fell! There's a
an
shotgun here. Pick it
asshole.
up. There's a shotgun here.
Oh, well, there's something on the. Oh, there's something next to that window. I want that. Looks. I obtained shotgun E.
What is this?
Wait, I'm gonna try
First
and
aid
get
spray.
whatever.
I don't.
elephant's
Wow,
got.
the game's being generous with healing and ammo.
Oh, there's another handgun over by
It's
the
locked
little
from
window
inside.
where the elephant.
Oh, we can't open this. Does anybody have the key? This is locked.
Oh, I didn't pick up any keys.
Hey!
No, and it doesn't open.
I'm
No,
alone.
it's not even moving when
Did
we.
you just, did you just
Sorry,
pick
no.
Sydney?
Well, I tried. no,
It's not. I heard a thud. It sounded like.
no, I tried
we're
to
gonna
open
go-
it, but it didn't work. We have to get out of here. There's no point.
All right, let's
this room.
let's bounce. I'm a little worried. It's giving us so much healing.
Yeah, I get worried when there's so much heating as well. Yeah.
I mean,
Be careful,
that's-
because
I mean,
there
there's
should be
so much
another
healing.
hyena here. Be careful.
Okay, okay.
There should be another one. Definitely.
Get in my mark stance. I'm gonna walk forward.
What did I hear? Did I hear something?
I hear bad music happening. Let's run away.
And the ground is shaking. I'm out of here. Bye. Have a great time.
Oh, help me! Help me! I'm slow.
Bye. Have a great time.
Bye, I gotta go.
Did you make it out? Did you make it out?
I'm out.
Okay.
I'm in the East Concourse.
Now, you want to see something funny? The zombie elephant actually can go over this little fence here. the door went through because it's a low door.
Don't tell me these things.
Okay. Yeah, the zombie elephant here is gonna be like the new Leechman basically.
It's the new nemesis.
Oh, oh, he's doing it! Look, he's doing
Where?
it!
Where?
He's going over!
Holy Jesus!
Yeah!
Let's run away!
Help
Let's run
me!
away!
Help me,
Let's
please!
run away! Down the stairs!
This one's
down
locked!
The stairs.
This one's locked! This one's
No,
locked!
down here, Foggy!
I'm coming, I'm coming, I'm
downstairs,
coming.
downstairs.
Oh my goodness! At least he's very slow. He can't make it down here. Whoa, whoa, whoa! He got me! He got me!
Oh, I saw that! He got you good. Take some shotgun
That's so
rounds here.
funny. I'm still on fine though. What about down here? What do we do? Ah, look at us looking up. Do you guys see my character looking up? Look.
Oh yeah, like
Even
hey
yours,
guys,
if you stand still, he'll look up.
hey
Look.
guys, there's a zombie elephant up there.
Oh man. Can we go
Should we
down
do- I
here?
guess-
Can we go down here?
I guess not.
No.
Plush lion? What? I think it's plush lion, I guess.
Oh, plush lion, even me. I found it. Special item. So we can't go down here?
I guess not. I thought this was like a way to go, but it was just kind of.
Oh.
Oh, wait, there's something on the wall here. There's a paper on the wall. Read it.
Yes, Mac Knight. Be ready.
Hey,
I have no idea what that.
Is
what
the
that
elephant
was.
gone? Yeah, I think he's gone.
Looks like it.
We're good. We're good. We're good. We're good. He's gone. He's like, I can't get down there. I'm too
It's
fast.
just mating. It's just mating season, and he smells that delicious floggy. Oh, I hear bad music.
Again. You see, I can't hear the music because I keep the TV volume very low, so it doesn't pick up from my microphone. So yeah, the ground is shaking. The ground is shaking.
Yep, yep, yep. Let's run away. Let's run away. I'm gonna. Thanks for opening that door for me. Run away.
This game is so good. I love it. It stresses me out. That's what a
Oh,
Resident
yeah.
Evil should do. All right, now
Yeah,
what do we do here? Oh, this is where we came from, right?
Oh,
Or not?
the
That's
hell?
familiar.
How did we get here again? Yeah, this is where the elephant was like first. All
Yeah, we were
through.
around the circles. Yeah.
Okay.
The elephant is right behind you.
Me?
Yeah, careful.
Well,
Well,
oh,
I
I
mean-
see him.
Give me a hand
You
here.
managed to.
Oh, he says now he says, "Give me a hand here."
Help!
That's good. Give me a hand here.
Give me a hand here.
In the first game, he used to say front and center.
Give me a hand here, man.
Help! Help me! Help! Time to go!
Time to go.
hey,
Time to go.
Where do
Yes,
we
it
go?
is.
I think she's not familiar with the game either, huh?
Help!
I guess. Not.
Wait, there's the door here. Oh, it's locked, is it? What does it say though?
Is it locked? Is it locked or like not? just
Alligator, so we need an alligator key for sure.
Where haven't we been? We went in the office. Did we go down here?
Yeah, we've
There's
been
some
here.
herbage.
This is where the. Come on, man. We need.
Oh, yeah,
I'm gonna go look
it's-
for that key again because I think we overlooked.
Yeah, it's
it.
got to be in this building then. We just went in a big huge circle.
We must be missing something.
I blame Cheer.
I blame McKnight.
Yeah,
he's not even
both
here.
of their faults.
This door
Definitely
needs
their
to
fault
be
anyway.
opened. We need to find a way to open this door. It's locked from the
Is
inside.
that one?
So definitely not from here.
Okay, so.
So there has to be another way
Okay.
around. Watch out!
you.
Watch out! Both of us. And Cindy's like,
Sure.
haha! You should have waited.
Yeah, she just
What's
chilled
over
there
there?
waiting.
Oh, that's a gun. Yeah. Whoa, 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 whoa,
It's a gun, it's a gun.
Alright, there's another door.
Oh, wait. I don't think we went in this door.
I don't
before.
think
In or
so.
out?
No, I don't think we've been through that door. No. There we go. You see?
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh, zombie!
a survivor.
Shake.
No, it's a survivor.
Oh!
You killed him. That's
I
it.
I put a
Whoa.
bullet in him because
Wow,
you
a
never know.
survivor. The animals got to me. You can see the result. I thought it would be safe, but we're stuck in here. Communications are cut. Shit. That's what he
I
said.
think
Uh-oh.
Alright, so
Oh,
there's,
that
a,
guy's not very
there's a
helpful.
door here. Oh, nice. Another office.
Cheer wants to. No, cheer. I was shaking.
A
No
raccoon
divorce.
ornament. Alright, so
Don't
there's
leave me.
a raccoon
Don't leave,
ornament.
don't leave me, cheer.
Oh, a raccoon medal. Okay, I'm gonna place this down real quick. So I think the medal goes in here.
I'm
Because I got
hacking
a raccoon
over
medal.
here.
So use.
Hack this computer.
No, wait a sec. Alright, there's a place for a medal. I got a medal, so what happens when I got it? Nothing. But we probably need another medal then, for sure. But did we pick up a key? Did somebody pick up a key? Cindy doesn't have any keys.
Yes, there's a key right here. Sydney is getting it right now.
It's Cindy, not Sydney.
Yes.
Cindy.
It's what?
Oh, there's the key, yeah. Alright,
Yeah.
did she pick it up? Yes, she did. Alright.
Cindy has it.
What
Cindy
key
has
is it? It says elephant key. Alright, she knows where we need to go then. I saw a door that said elephant. Let's follow her. Oh, she unlocked the door. The one that was locked
Hey.
earlier. Let's go. Help me!
Time to go.
Time to go!
Help me out here! Or what am I gonna say? Something new.
Help me out here! Give me a hand here, will you? I don't know.
Yeah, give me a hand here.
Help! Help me! Help!
It's a fat guy help.
Help!
Is this the way to the elephant door?
Well, I mean, the thing is, the concourse goes a whole circle, so we'll
Oh,
run
we'll
into
find
it
it
eventually.
eventually.
Yeah, we have to go
Alright.
around until we find the door. Let's keep going.
Fair enough.
And the elephant. Oh, the ground is shaking. Oh, and there's hyenas again. Careful.
Oh, running. Running super fast because my character's in good shape.
Feels like there's yeah, the ground is shaking.
Dude, my character's not in good shape. Oh, good, it's going after Sydney. Sydney went the opposite way. Should we be worried about
I'm in the east concourse now. I don't know.
Apologies, Sydney definitely took the other way.
All right,
Hey,
maybe she
Sydney.
knows which way. Hold
Oh,
on.
oh, Sydney came back. Sydney's following.
Maybe this is the way. Hold on. One of these doors is the elephant, definitely. So,
Don't worry, I'll stand here and look cool.
is it this one?
Doing the
Hold
360.
on, let's see. No, this one's open.
Oh, Jesus, the elephant's coming! Right away. Right away. I don't want to look cool
Hello,
anymore.
Chase. Nice to see you, Chase.
Help
So we managed our weird gameplay managed to lure Chase out of lurk.
Oh,
Where are you,
Chase
Drew? Where are you? Where are you?
I'm coming. I was fighting the zombie
Yeah,
elephant bravely.
Yeah, you can kill him
By
if you
fighting.
want, but it takes a lot.
I'm in running.
It takes a lot of ammo. So.
Takes a lot of chutzpah.
Okay, we just went around in circles again.
Wait, is that the door? That door was locked
Is it?
before, right?
Is that it?
Well, I know it was locked. I don't know if it's the key
Oh, I
door.
think I saw her use the key. Yes, I think I saw her use the key. I think she just
Do it,
did.
Sydney, or I blow your
no,
brains
no,
out.
this one's tight.
Do it,
shut.
Sydney.
No, this
Sorry,
one's shite.
no.
Wanna die?
This one's shite. I was gonna say shite.
I'll kill you
It's
off,
shite
dang it.
tightly.
Even threatening to murder her.
Alright, I went
You
through
know.
this door now.
I just had to stop and get a churro real fast. My character was hungry.
Churro. Now this way, is it? Hold on, there's a door
What key
here.
do we have? Alligator key?
What is this?
Elephant key?
This is the
I'm gonna jump through
alligator.
these
This is the
bars.
alligator. No, this is not it. We went around in circles.
What the hell? Where?
Oh, there's hyenas again. Careful.
Running away!
Whoa,
Am I running away?
whoa.
I don't know
Wow.
where I am. I don't know where you are.
I'm at
I don't know where anything
21%
is.
already.
You're at what?
21% already.
I'm probably there too. That elephant hitting us adds some percentages. What am I
It's
at?
this way? Hold on. Oh, I found
yeah,
it.
I'm at
I found it.
22.
It says elephant show. It's here. This is the elephant.
Oh, how ironic.
Do you know where I am? I mean, you can see.
Oh, I see you. I see
Oh,
you.
yeah, yeah.
I mean, I hear you. There you are. Open the door, Sydney. Here, you get a bullet to the brain.
Cindy!
Yeah, she's
Can you do
opening
it?
it. Look. Yeah.
Do it. Do it or you
Come on,
die.
Cindy.
Do it.
Do it.
You
or
wanna
you'll
die?
Did she unlock it? Yes, she opened it. Bye.
Oh,
Bye. Have a
just
great
kidding,
time.
Cindy. JK, I'm not gonna shoot you. Let's go inside. Good job.
There we go. Now, this looks. Oh, I know what we can do here. I think we can lure.
Already?
I think we can lure the elephant in here, lock him inside or something.
Oh, let's do that. Let's
I don't know
Sydney.
how, but hold on.
Sydney, why don't you stand right there in the middle?
There is a way. Oh, is he here already? Is the ground shaking?
I don't see him. Oh, I see. He just came over the top there. Yeah. Do we have like control? Or
Oh, he's
something?
coming in. He's coming in. There's a control here.
All
No,
right.
we need
Hey,
to
there's a
close the
dude
gate
here.
now. Okay. We're gonna lock him in. Look. We're gonna lock him in. Look at this.
This guy
Close
said.
the gate. Yes.
Ah. How did that guy get up?
I was just gonna say the exact same thing. How did he die out there? What? Oh, he dropped the key.
Oh,
Okay,
oh,
you go.
on the inside of the...
You go get it, Drew. I'm gonna wait
Hey,
here.
Sydney, hey Sydney, you got little arms, right? You can fit it.
You have to go. Okay. Is it? Oh, it's on the other side of the gate actually. So
Oh, it's on the... oh, he's probably gonna break through fast though, huh? We
there's
gotta,
some guy on the floor. We completely ignored the survivor.
I talked to him. He's like, oh, I don't have much time left. Thanks for talking to me. LOL. Now I died. Yo, why is that crazy music playing?
Because the music attracts the elephant. That's why we played it. What is this on the floor?
Oh, I'm going through this door on the other
Yeah,
side
there.
here. We gotta get that key situation. Oh, I'm being attacked by parrots! Zombie parrots!
Zombie
Help!
parrots? What? Where?
Ah!
Oh! No way!
I'm running away!
Those are
zombie
those are
parrots! Oh wait, there's a
toucans.
door there. There's a door there. Oh, there's a bunch of zombie parrots down there.
There's another
There's a
door
door.
here.
We
We
should
missed
check
this
that
door.
door.
Yeah. Let's take a look at this door. This game is
Man.
so awesome.
Zombie parrots and zombie cockatoos.
Mac Knight, did you ever
Bullshit.
beat this game? What is this? What is this?
Here, I'm gonna get in
A
this
blank tape.
giant-
What? A blank tape. Are we gonna save in Resident Evil as well? Like in Resident
Blank
Evil 7? Because in Resident Evil 7, you
Blank
save
tape.
with cassette tapes as well.
That's so suspicious. Maybe it's like, yeah, we have to watch an old
Shotgun
creepy video.
rounds, thank you very much.
Pesticide spray? Are there bugs in this one too? You know, I haven't actually killed anything.
Oh, the pesticide spray. My goodness, that's right. Oh,
Yeah.
Do you want to pick up the broom?
Scrub brush, that looks like a mark item.
I think we're done here.
Put
This
on
is just a
this
supply
giant
closet,
pink bear
just to give us
costume.
some.
The zombies won't notice me if I'm in this giant.
Yeah, can I
bear
change my
costume.
outfit, please? Worker's uniform. I think it's important here. Can I change my outfit?
Yeah, change in here, zombie.
Ooh, there's a
Let us-
cockroach
let
on the
us-
floor. Can I squish it?
Oh, don't worry. I'll get it.
No.
I get it, I mean, kill Sydney.
Oh, there's another door here. I just realized.
Oh,
Oh, no, wait. That's the door we
What?
came from. No,
A
no,
door?
it's the same door. You
Like,
see,
what?
zero orientation. Zero. Okay, let's go.
I'm gonna be upset if that stupid blank tape is like a key item later.
I don't know. Well, at least we know where it is. It's in there. Are there more parrots?
I don't know. More cockatoos.
Yes, more parrots.
These are endangered though, Vloggy. So if you kill them, that's a
They're
federal
already
crime.
dead. They're already dead. They're just. They're not the Walking Dead. They're the Flying Dead.
The flying dead. This one?
Let's
No,
go. for that.
no. Oh, I unlocked.
I tried to kick the bird.
Oh, you tried. I saw that.
Oh, I got
Go to
him!
this
Nice
door.
in midair.
Oh,
Let's
it's
go
the
to
elephant
this door.
stage. We gotta get whatever the thing is.
Is it the? Are we on the other side though of the elephant stage? Because the key dropped on one side. On the outer side, it dropped.
I think the elephant is like. Oh yeah, here it is.
What the heck? Whoa!
Rifle rounds. What is this thing? Lion emblem. Okay, I'll take that.
Lion emblem.
Actually,
Okay, I know
you
where
wanna
we
take
need
it?
to
You
go.
have space.
I know where we need to
wanna
go.
take it?
Yes, I'll take it. Yeah, I know where we need to go.
Okay.
No, I don't know where we need to take this. No, I thought it was the.
Oh, there's a door here. You want to go through?
That's the one we came. That's the one we came through. No, that's the one we came from.
Oh, is it? Oh, never mind. I'll come
I'll
back
wait.
in.
Yeah, I'll wait. I don't trust this elephant though, huh? He's
Yeah, he's gonna punch through. Yeah.
definitely. But I think he's gonna keep him busy for now.
Yeah. That's good.
I don't know where to put the lion emblem. There's a lion coin. But
Oh. Okay, I'm back.
dodge is key in this game. I always try not to use the guns as last. I always try to not use the guns at last for emergency for scenario. Okay, that's good to know. Are you back? Are you
well,
back?
This,
Oh, yes, you
This
are.
way's a dead end, so I think we
Is
need
it?
to leave this
Oh.
whole area.
Oh, nice. But at least we know there's some healage.
Yeah, there's healage everywhere, man.
It's some. Listen, come over here. Come over here. Uh oh. No! No!
Why
No!
did you waited too long, Vloggy?
No!
I told you we need to leave.
Oh my goodness, so that was a complete waste of time then.
Well,
Alright, let's
I
get
mean,
out of
not
here.
really.
Let's get out of here.
got-
Let's get out of here. Help me, please.
Let's
Okay.
leave. I'm
All
gonna
right.
help myself here.
Let's try
no
not to
way.
separate, but at least take the closest door. But hopefully we won't separate.
Oh,
Run.
Jesus! His giant ass is in the way.
Yeah, even mine. This way, this way, this way, this way. Go through the door. The one we came from. The one with the birds. The
Serious?
bird cage.
Why?
The one with the
We
bird
need to
cage. No,
leave this area.
the bird cage. Because there we haven't
Oh,
explored
the bird
everything.
cage. Oh, I got you. I got you. Oh, I don't know if Cindy knew that
It
though.
says connecting passage. Yeah, I think she's watching the stream, but I think she's got a delay.
Yeah, there's definitely a delay. So back
Trying
up
to
off me, bird creature.
Oh, am I out of ammo?
Ow! Oh
I'm
well.
out of ammo. Why didn't I shoot?
Let's go through. Hey, I went through a door.
Yeah, even me.
Follow
Oh, there is gonna be bees. I just remembered. Oh man, I just remembered. Yeah, we should have picked up the spray. Well, anyway, we'll just run.
Well.
Yeah, I
Yeah, it's
just
upstairs.
realized that there is gonna be bees here somewhere.
Oh, there's gonna be a lot of birds in this bird cage, huh? Oh, there's a lot of bees over there. Oh, Jesus.
Do we go up the stairs here? Let's go up the stairs here.
Let's do that because there's bees down there, and I don't want to get stuck with
Bees!
zombie bees. Sydney, why don't you check out if those bees are nice or not?
Oh, what is this? Do I push
Oh,
it?
let's push this thing on them. Push it on the bees.
Oh yeah, it looks like it can be pushed. Oh yeah, look. In fact, I think we're gonna squish the. It's like a vile plume. It reminds me of a vile plume. like
Vile
from-
plume. It's a vile plume.
Okay, I think we
Oh.
can go through now. Hold on. There's a control panel. I'm gonna go check it out real quick.
Alright.
But
I'll
I
watch
think I'm
from
gonna
up
be
here.
I'm gonna be beat a lot, huh?
Don't worry, I'll help you from up here by watching.
Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on. Run, 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 run. I'm gonna check the control panel real
You're
quick.
doing a good job.
Oh no, there's a
Lucky.
puzzle here. Push a button.
We're all-
There's a
oh.
button. Push it. Yes. I
Oh,
pushed it.
wait
I
a
pushed
minute.
the button, but I don't know what happened.
How did that work
Does
out?
it say anything else?
Need to use the tool?
I don't know. I pushed the button. But I don't know if anything happened.
Cindy's
Oh,
shooting
oh,
bees. I don't
oh,
think that's gonna
oh.
work. Oh!
I got hit by a bee.
Oh, there's a button up
Ooh,
here too.
another one.
Oh, there's 3. So we gotta find
Coming
the
up.
third
Coming
one.
up. I'm coming up.
Ow! Oh! Careful, there's like
Keep running. Yeah,
plants
keep running.
around here.
Keep running ahead. Keep going ahead. Oh, what,
Time
am I
to go.
poisoned? Damn it! I'm poisoned.
Oh, crap.
Yeah, I
didn't
figured
see
I
a
would be.
blue herb.
We'll
Oh, hey!
find- we'll
Hey,
find the blue
Vloggy,
herb.
blue herb down here, blue herb down
I'm
here.
coming.
You come down the stairs on the far side.
I'm coming. I have to drop them. That's it. That's green herbage. Oh yeah, there it is.
Yeah, it's at the bottom.
Okay. I'm gonna
Oh,
take.
I see it. I see the last one.
Let's go. Oh,
Oh,
who did that? Did you do that?
I did that. Ow! Damn it! Mr. Raccoon Metal? What is that?
Oh, I know where we need to go. Okay, we have to backtrack. Alright, I know where we need to go. Remember the
Oh,
office?
I'm poisoned. I'm poisoned.
Remember the office? Where we were?
I'm gonna take this Mr. Raccoon Metal.
Yes, you need to pick that
Do,
up.
do we
Yes.
need this?
Yes, we
Okay.
need to go there. We need to go back to where the elephant was going through the window. So we have to backtrack.
Okay.
Let's go again.
I totally need first aid though, so let me.
I need. Oh,
I mean-
there's a green herb here. I don't know if.
Oh no, I need a blue herb. I'm totally poisoned. Ow! 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 Ow!
I haven't
Ow!
seen any
What
other
the
blue herbs
hell?
actually. That was the only blue herb I've seen.
Okay, so are we leaving? Because you can
Yeah,
leave
we
this way.
should.
Ow,
we
what
should.
the-
We should go back. I know where we need to go.
Okay, I'm at the door where we came in.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay. We went around in circles. I just realized. Okay.
Sydney picked up whatever magically opened. I don't know what it was.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go before we get attacked more. Let's go. 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 Go.
I am poisoned and hurt. Not the bee.
There's just bees in every Resident Evil game. Oh,
hate
there's the bird. I don't mind the birds because you can shoot them, but. Okay,
Hey,
this
wait.
way. This way. This is the door.
I'm not poisoned anymore.
Really?
Ow, damn it. Oh, that's weird. Oh, Sydney's poisoned now. I don't know how she got poisoned and I cleared my poison
You
somehow.
traded your status.
I was like, I gave it to her. I was like, yeah, Sydney, want to make out for a second?
Alright, so we have to go now this way? Yes, this way. This way. Follow me, I know where to go.
Time to go.
Oh, do you now?
Front and center! Alright, so there's more. So, yeah, you're all fine. How weird.
Yeah, very weird.
Oh, no!
Sorry. Hey, you're on caution.
He's back!
That
He's
hurt
back! Run,
Oh,
run!
boy.
I'm just
Oh,
gonna
boy.
go through this
Oh,
door.
boy.
I don't know where this is gonna take me, but I'm gonna go through this door real quick.
Yeah, let's go through that door. I like that door.
Bye, zombie. Let's go.
Is it locked?
No, I'm down at the South Concourse. Is that how you pronounce it?
I meant
South Concourse.
Concord. Yeah. That's Concord.
All right, now take a right. I'm gonna heal real quick. Oh, but I'm only on. Yeah, I'm gonna heal.
Yeah, use the heals because there's like a million around
Yeah,
here.
and it slows down the virus. I'm at 31.
Yeah, I'm at 32. And Sydney's poison, and I think you used the only blue herb on the map.
Oh my goodness.
I haven't seen any other blue herbs.
That was so nice of you to let me have it.
Yeah, and then it's nice of me to give Sydney my poison.
I just noticed Emily retweeted me and I didn't say thanks. Sorry. Thank you for the retweet, Emily.
Faux
Thank
pas. Good. Thank you, Emily. This door is shut.
you. Thank you.
Alright.
All right, I found the door. This is the way.
Got a collection of good tweets, stranger. You found the door? What door?
Yeah, where we need to go, the office basically. Yeah. Come on, let's go. Oh, the elephant's here.
Oh, I'm
Poking
here.
his head out of
Wait
the
a minute.
window.
What do I do with this stupid coin?
Follow me. Come to the office.
Hold on. I don't want to go to work.
Come, I need to see you in my office.
Oh, no, it wasn't me. I got
the-
those reports in on time.
We have to talk about sexual harassment.
Oh, I just grabbed her ass quite a bit.
Alright, this is the room. I'm just gonna wait here. Something's
Rusty
gonna happen.
Counter-Strike Go looks so different in
A
True
blue
Vision.
painting. Alright.
I do not play Counter-Strike Go, Rusty.
And this is a red painting. Now,
Oh,
okay,
where?
so the lion emblem is red and there's lions on them.
Ah!
Are you in the office?
Oh, Cindy just got wrecked by the elephant. Are you on the inner office?
Yeah, where
That's
there's
just
the
what
painting.
I was thinking.
Inner
Oh,
office, that's
that's
right.
just
yeah,
what I
inner
was
office.
thinking.
I don't remember that, but okay, inner office. Good.
There's two paintings here. There's one blue with like deers. And then there's another painting that's red with lions. And I found the lion emblem and it's red. So I think it has something to do with this.
Paintings? Where the hell are you?
Let me come get you. Are you in the office?
Yeah, there I am.
Okay, this is the way. This way. This way. Alright, you put the coin in this raccoon thing.
You put the coin in the raccoon. That sounds dirty.
What? Hey, Rusty Bones! Welcome. Menu map hype.
Okay, I did something.
Oh, something! Oh, look! Alright, so, there's a, there's a
Oh.
red light here.
Hey, I'm under this light and it turned a color.
Okay.
Oh, hey, Sydney, go grab that. I think if we move, it'll drop.
Hold on. What does it say? Rifle rounds? Is that it? Really? Seriously?
Oh,
Rifle
that's
rounds?
it.
Really?
We need like key items. We don't even have a rifle.
Hold on, but the statue looks like it can be pushed. Hold on.
Oh, push it under the lightning. Let me watch you push it. Oh, maybe you only need the statue if you're a one player, and then you stand on the other one.
Could be. Could be. So strange. But
Unless something else magical happens. I don't know.
so strange.
Is there another something
Feels
to
like
push
there's
here?
more to this puzzle. Oh, hold on. Now it says 4. What is this? Now the raccoon thing says 4. Raccoon,
What did it say before?
There's a place on it. Hang on. There's a place on it.
There's
for
a place on it for a medal. Oh, so there's something else we have to add to this stupid raccoon?
Can I...
Ah,
No, it says 4. That's weird. Use.
important.
I got the emblem, but I don't know what to do with the emblem. So we came all the way here for nothing.
Well, we got rifle rounds again for that rifle we don't have.
Exactly. All right, so let's go back.
Back where?
Back where we were, like next to the parrots and the bees. I'm sure we haven't looked everywhere there, right?
Yeah. Sydney's gonna die of this poison.
And doesn't Cindy like have a in her
Yes.
inventory she starts off with like blue herbs and red herbs and green herbs.
Oh, I don't. Oh, is she the mixer person?
Yeah. All right, we need to
Oh,
get out of
I
here.
don't
We're
know.
just wasting time here. And
Sydney, mix yourself some poison stuff.
it's like the tiger statue in RE1. Yeah, something like that probably. All right, so we're out here.
You're like the tiger statue in RE1. Cheers. Oh.
All right, out of here, out. I'm sure we haven't explored the whole elephant area for sure. The elephant key area.
Yeah, probably not. Because it's
For
pretty dangerous and dumb to run around while there's a zombie elephant after you.
The ground is shaking, I think.
Yeah, or I'm having an earthquake.
Because I
in real
can't hear
life.
the music. The TV volume is very low. So. Oh, careful!
Okay.
There's a hyena.
I don't hear the music actually, so I think it's just. Oh man, that hyena is just chilling.
Yeah, he's very chill. He's like,
Yeah.
yeah, it's okay.
Although that doesn't even really need to be like a zombie hyena. A hyena would probably attack us anyway. I could just be a.
Oh, the elephant's
asshole
right here!
hyena.
Careful, 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 careful! Oh,
no,
he's
no,
blocking
no,
the
no.
entrance.
I'm just not going this way. I'm gonna go.
Okay, I went through. I managed to go through.
I'm gonna go this way. I went this way. Go behind this giant. Oh, I'm trapped behind his butt. Let me through your butt, sir. Oh no, the door
Alright,
closed.
so-
Ow! Oh, he just backed up on me. He just
When you-
backed his.
okay.
He just backed it up on me.
Let's go
What
back to the
now?
cage just one more time, and we'll see what's
Oh
over
god, I can't see anything. I can't see. Oh, thank
there.
God.
Yeah, even me. I was just spamming. Ooh, more birds! Out, 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 out. Keep going towards the terrarium dome, where we were before. Where there's the bees.
Terrariums.
Next to the bees.
The bees.
Bees!
Bees.
You know what I'm gonna do real quick? I'm gonna nah, you know, I don't know where it's getting poisoned again.
I
Never
just
mind.
hey, oh, Vloggy, there's a iron pipe over here. If you know what I'm talking about.
Ooh, nice pipe.
I just wanted to see if there's anything cool in the cage, but there's nothing.
Oh, what the heck? What the wow! A plant 42 just attacked me.
Oh, from the ground? Yeah.
Yeah.
I told you when I was in there to watch out for those weeds.
No, I didn't notice.
Nobody listens to me.
Nobody listens, that's true. Okay, I just went around in circles here. Nothing. There's nothing.
I just got here. I'm at the stupid parrots. Get away from me.
Oh wow! What the heck? Look at this.
What's up? What happened? Okay, I don't want to be downstairs. Ooh,
There's no
you just
point to
dropped-
this area. It's like
Yeah, it didn't give us anything except stupid rifle rounds, so we don't have a rifle.
there's something on the floor. Hold on. What's this? Oh, it's just a first aid spray. Somebody dropped this. I'll take it.
Ow!
Okay, it's like there's no point to this area. I don't get
There's
it.
a zombie down there.
Wow, Cindy's not doing so well. She's like.
Oh, that's Cindy. I thought that was a zombie. Yeah, Cindy's totally gonna die. We have like no anti-poison stuff here.
What are we gonna do with her?
Well, I mean, you can heal, right? I mean, if you keep healing, does that help?
Yeah, she can. Does she have? No. I'll give.
She has no heals. Give her a first. There's a first aid spray right outside.
Yeah, I
Grab
mean,
the big old-
we have. There's like sprays everywhere. Hold on.
And don't hold her
Present.
by the butt, Vloggy. All right.
Whoa,
Oh, there's bees. Let's not get poisoned. Run away. Run away.
Present.
Let's run outside.
Let's see if she takes it.
No, run outside. Don't do it there. You're gonna get stung with bees. Oh wait, actually, don't come out here because
I want to see what this is. I think.
you're also gonna get hit by birds. Hello, Libby.
Oh, nice. I'm poisoned as well now.
Damn it,
Levy!
Vloggy.
Uh,
Oh, I'm being attacked by the parrots. They're angry, rare tropical parrots.
I don't know what to do. I mean,
Oh, eat it. You eat it.
Maybe
Eat
we're
it, you
done with this
endangered
area?
species. Scumbag. Oh, yeah. Oh my gosh.
I think we're done with this area. I don't think there's anything else here. All right, I'm out of here. I'm out of here.
Have Sydney's poison ass come out here and get this first aid spray in front of the main cage. Actually, you go get that spray down there,
Which spray?
right
Which
from the
spray?
cage. Or if you go outside here to this door, there's a spray right where that emblem is.
I don't need it. I do have a spray.
No, I know, for Sydney.
Oh yeah,
Can't you
that's right.
spray
Where is
and not
she?
be like all crippled?
Where is she? Is she dead?
Uh,
I don't see her anymore.
I'm gonna check up here. Make sure Sydney's alive.
Hey, Bertic brothers, welcome. And there's Marlena
What
as
is
well.
this
Hello. I like what Janice said. Like this area bugs me.
I get it. I get it.
Hold on. How is
Please,
Cindy doing?
Hello,
Is she crawling as
Marlena.
well?
Is she crawling? That's bad.
No, not crawling. I mean limping or whatever. I said crawling. That's not
The
what-
crawling is.
Whoa, whoa,
fun.
Birdie! Get out of here, Birdie!
Maybe we need this blank tape to say this.
Ah, you stupid bird.
Yeah, I'm gonna take the blank tape and like inspect it. Oh, I can't. Like, I wanted to see if there's like a secret. Now I'm stuck with this blank tape. I want to switch it out.
I don't know what we're doing wrong. I mean, there has to be something we're doing wrong.
I got pesticide spray, just in case.
For the bees. Ah.
or the bees. But I don't think we need to be there anymore. So
What the
I don't know
heck?
what to do with it.
The zombie elephant's here.
In the bird area?
The elephant area.
Oh, I'm not even there. Oh, I see. I'm coming. I just want to see if there's anything in that upper room. That's aside spraying that stupid blank tape that I don't know what to do with.
I don't know.
Resident Evil says I found a new door. Sydney found a new door.
Really?
Where is Sydney?
Last time I saw Sydney was.
Woo!
Last
It's
time I saw her was.
Sakura!
Last time I saw her
How you
was next to the bees. You're in the bees area, yeah? I'm coming.
No, I'm at the main cage. I have no idea where you guys are. I'm at the main cage where the elephants are now.
Yeah, I know where you are.
How you
Yes.
doing?
I was upstairs. I'm gonna go next to Cindy real quick because last time I saw her was next to the bees. I'm gonna go back again real quick.
Okay.
How
guess
come
I'll
I
head that
missed
way.
the door? How come I missed that door then? It's not like. Hey,
Oh, I'm
Sakura! Vlogasso!
What else? Doing good, Sakura. How you doing?
How you doing?
How you doing, Sakura? Oh, I think I saw you go in the door.
I don't know where she is. Oh, I see her. She's
There's a
down
little
there.
way.
Okay, where's the door? I'm coming. Where did you find the door? Did you find...
Are you in the bee cage?
Yes, there you
The
are.
bee
Yes.
cage.
Yes. There you go. Bee cage. Okay,
The bee
this
cage.
is the... Hold on, what is this? What is this?
What?
Nothing? Okay.
See Cindy getting attacked by a plant.
Yeah, where is she? Let's help her. Oh, this is the door she found? Oh, is this it? Oh, I don't think we did.
Oh, wow, we're blind.
Alright, wow. GG.
We
Good
suck.
one, Cindy. You're cool. We like you.
Good-
Oh, we should
good
find
job,
some.
Resident Evil.
We need blue herbs. We need some blue herbs.
Oh, there's a blue herb right
yeah,
there.
but Cindy, you
Oh,
take
you're
it,
both
Cindy. You
poisoned.
take it, Cindy. No, Cindy has to take it because she's been poisoned the longest. So.
Yeah. It's,
Oh no, you're not gonna like
Oh,
this.
no!
You're not gonna like this. Whoa, 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 whoa! Oh my goodness! Careful,
I don't wanna be
Cindy!
here, I don't wanna be here.
Careful, Cindy!
Jesus Christ, Cindy, don't go next to that giant alligator.
Oh my goodness!
Oh wow, there's a stick. Is that are they serious? Is a stick here? Was that supposed to say this?
Oh my goodness!
Asshole.
You know, it reminds me of Resident Evil 5. This part. Hey, welcome back, my friend.
All right, that's it. These fools are getting shotgun to the face.
Alright, can
Hey,
I?
alligator.
Yeah, I'm gonna quit my shotgun as well. Whoa! Wow,
Alligator,
That's Chinese
say
business.
cheese.
Say
Oh,
queso.
that didn't hit him. Say queso, por favor.
I tried to kick the alligator. I'm going. I'm
Totally
going.
is.
I'm going in. I don't care. I'm going in.
Oh, Vloggy's going in. He's going all in.
I'm doing the swim.
Just swim. Swim for your life, Sydney.
Help me, please!
Help!
Maybe it's an animatronic alligator and it only does that one move.
I wish. All right, there we go. I see the end of the line. I see it.
End of the line.
I see it.
Alright, line,
I'm
our
on
life.
ground. I'm on the
Alright.
mainland. Good.
Sydney, hurry up. I'll cover you. Oh.
Whoa, you covered her well. Actually, I thought you. Watch out!
Yeah.
Watch out!
Oh, God!
Watch out!
I covered her to my own detriment. Oh, I kicked him in the face. Oh, wow, that really
You
hurt.
okay,
That
bud?
really hurt.
Wow, you're bleeding.
Ow, 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 ow. The curse said, don't say
Hey, Vladimir, welcome.
Oh, I'm in bleed. Hey,
We're not having
this bleed
our,
just go away eventually.
We're not having our toughest moment actually right now. So,
Oh, Resident Evil's gonna support me. Thank you, Sydney.
is there anything here?
Doesn't look like it.
No, there's
Hello,
nothing here.
tough guy. Vladimir Jugovic.
Is it a weapon? It says square timber. Yeah, probably. It's just front behind
Bleed
me.
goes away, right?
Yeah, let's go. Let's check out this door.
Oh, Sydney got another coin. That stupid raccoon thing.
Really? Oh wow.
It's the medallion for that. Oh wow.
Medal.
Screw that place.
But we're not gonna go back unless we have
happen to
4.
go back.
Yeah, we require 4.
Unless
for
we
sure.
just happen to walk right back.
Yeah.
Sure needs an herb. I got a first aid spray, Sakura, but I think I'm on.
Oh,
Bleed
man.
just goes away, right? After a while, bleed just stops.
I don't know. Yes, it does. Yes. Oh
Right.
wow, where are we?
Okay,
What is
cool.
this? I
I'm
don't
on,
like this.
I'm on caution. Oh, I smell bees.
What is this? Why is it
Hello,
raining here?
hello, Lucas
Manuel.
Vergara. How are you?
Oh, look at the tiger! I just realized there's a tiger here. Look.
Hey, you!
Oh, that sounds horrible. Is it alive and out to kill us?
No. It's a dead tiger. It's covered in claw marks.
Oh,
Uh-oh.
dead.
Oh, sorry, something tougher than the tiger
Hello,
killed.
Redolph Steam. You're in love with this game. This is my first time playing this game, Redolph. Well,
This game is
the tile
fantastic.
team. This game's super fun.
I love this game.
And
Oh,
you're playing with-
more hyenas. Careful.
Let me get this herbage because I'm a little hurt here. Do we need this pesticide spray anymore?
I don't like the fact.
Hey, are we going upstairs or downstairs?
I'm
What's
going
the deal
downstairs
here?
right now. I'm going. Careful, cause I see something upstairs. Something moving fast. Ooh,
Hola,
oh, it's a
Lupe.
bird. It's a bird. It's
How
a
are you
plane.
doing?
It's a Mario.
Oh, it's a dead. It's a dead.
It's a bird. It's a plane. It's a me, Mario. Flogrio. Oh, I'm gonna take this red herbage. Sweet herbage. Come on,
Get that herbage in here. Oh, there's handgun rounds here. I don't have any handgun rounds. So I don't feel like wasting a spot, so nobody wants
Let's
it.
go through here. Oh, is it locked? Looks like
Sydney,
it's locked.
Sydney, get them handgun
Alligator.
rounds.
We need the alligator key. This
Sydney,
is
get
the
those
DJ
handgun rounds.
alligator.
Oh, we need a what? Another key?
Yeah, we
Oh,
need
an
the key.
alligator.
Yeah. This is the DJ alligator. You ever heard that song? This is the
My DJ Alligator?
Yeah.
I thought you were just making that up.
No, it's true. There was in the 90s we had 90s 2000s actually 2000. And there was a DJ Alligator. He had a song called "Blow My Whistle, Baby." Never heard it.
Well, no, I don't think so.
Wow. That must be a European thing.
Oh,
It was really
Sakura,
big here.
yeah,
in
it's,
Malta.
it's 4 players, Sakura. You
I
can
found the
join
blue
us.
herbage. Oh!
Get the game working, Sakura. Sakura, get the game working. Oh, Sakura's probably not looking at my chat or my
Sakura,
stream.
get the game working,
what-
please.
I went up all up in my camera to tell Sakura to get the game.
Please don't take
Oh,
my. Please don't
What are you
take.
shooting at?
my-
Cindy, are you shooting at my camera? Don't shoot at my stream.
Can you shoot at this camera? I'm curious now. I don't want to waste ammo actually. I only have 35 shotgun shells.
Oh, look at that. All of us are pointed at my stream.
Actually, I
Alright, stream.
let's try. Let's see.
Freeze. You know what's like so you die.
Nice shot.
So funny.
Let me reload.
And one for good luck. Okay. Hey guys, quit fooling around. This is serious business, alright? It's a serious game.
It's up to 4 players. This game. I don't know. Sorry, I'm gonna.
Yeah. Sakura, get the game working right now.
Sakura get the game working. It doesn't even. I don't think it's very resource hungry. This game. I don't think I don't think it strains the PC or anything.
Yeah.
I mean, it's a
Sakura, you
PlayStation
don't
2 game.
hold
It's
me
not
down.
that bad. I can see a tram station in the distance. A way out. Oh, I see a tram station. Can I call
I see
for
a
service?
tra-la-la. Hey,
Can I
there's
call for the
handgun
shuttle?
rounds
Raccoon
A
medal.
way
I
out.
found another raccoon medal. How many of these do we need?
What the hell? Screw that stupid metal. That stupid raccoon. He's
Oh,
just
what's
thinking of
this?
more crap.
What's this? I found the rifle. Does it
Oh,
even...
hey, there you go.
No, let's let Cindy have it. Oh, did I pick it up? No. Cindy should
all
have
the
it.
rounds.
Cindy.
Get them rifle goodness up in you.
What a waste of ammo. The waste of ammo is way too much.
Oh wow,
Jack,
all those. What?
when Jack
Jack
shows up,
talking about stuff?
when Jack shows up in chat, he doesn't say hello. He talks about the ammo and the gun. Like,
He's like, hold on.
hold
You didn't
on.
hold the gun the proper way.
Not holding the gun the proper way. You bunch of noobs.
Wait, what's this? Are we ever gonna go back to that stupid raccoon place?
I think we're gonna have to.
Should I grab this metal then?
I think we
Maybe
should.
Sydney's gonna grab it. I don't know.
Mm,
No, Sydney shouldn't grab it. Sydney's full of stuff.
yeah, I'm gonna let me take care of this. Let me
Oh.
handle this.
Let's me handle this.
So, do you think we can do anything with 2 medals, or is it we're just gonna walk all the way there for nothing again?
Well, I mean, I figured we'd do it if we just happened to walk in that area. I don't feel like just going there for that. But I mean, if we have to go back there, because right, we have like another door that's locked back there, don't we?
Mm.
In that area.
Oh, she wants to give me something. Hold on. What's she giving me?
Oh,
Handgun rounds. I don't need
she's
those.
giving you
I don't
some
need
tra la la.
I don't need those tralalas. I don't need those. Sorry. I don't need those. Sorry. I don't need them. I have my shotty. No, thank you.
So much waste of ammo. The Holy Enigma agrees with Jackhammer. Jackhammer revolting against this.
What's this? Hi, Simone. Vloggy skin. What? Ah, my mom. Oh my goodness. It's
What?
it's.
Your mom?
Well, it's not really
Is your
my mom.
mom here?
It's my sister. It's my little sister. She's like 9 and she's using my mom's account and she's commenting. He's like, "Hi, I am your sister Faith."
What?
Hello.
Oh, I didn't even see that one.
That's my mom's
Your little
account.
sister's watching.
You see her in chat?
I
That's
see
so
it, yeah.
funny.
I missed that one.
Oh man, it's so funny. Yeah, I missed it too. Sakura actually pointed it out. I'm like, what's she saying, Simone? Like, my mom's
Oh,
Simone.
Vloggy's kin. Oh, I see. Vloggy's kin. Yes.
Hello, Enigma. Welcome. All right, let's go through
Hello,
here.
Vloggy's sister.
You should be watching this, Faith. Go away.
Yeah, why are you watching?
This is mature
violent
audience.
situation.
This is shooting.
Look at me.
Creatures.
Look at me shooting at the camera like this just to waste more bullets and make Jack angry.
No, hold on.
Help me. Cindy! Give me a hand here. Mark. Cindy.
Oh, there's the birds right behind us.
It's us!
Why are we wasting time?
Run away from the birds!
Why are we wasting time? Listen, is there anything else in this area? Are we missing something?
Let's look around. Wait, we already went down here, right?
Yeah.
Ow,
Whoa, 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 whoa.
bastard! Wait a minute. Hey, wait a minute. Look at this. There's a hole to crawl. Let's crawl.
Really?
Hey.
Oh, holy, holy hole. Let's go. Where?
There's a holy hole.
Oh, nice. Wow, I would have missed that completely if it wasn't for you guys.
All right, I'm over here. And there's oh Jesus Christ!
What's going on?
Jesus Christ! There's a lion! It's a lion!
What? A lion?
It's a lion! Run away! It's a lion! Run away!
Oh, Cindy killed him. Oh, come on. Oh, come on.
I got the alligator key! I got the alligator key!
What? Really? Nice.
Oh,
Nice.
you killed it? Oh, good.
Yeah.
I'm glad my panicking helped.
You panicked way too much.
Dude, I thought it was a hyena, so I was gonna fire like a bullet or two at
Oh
it,
my
and
goodness,
then I realized
that's
it was
so
so
funny.
much bigger than a hyena. Like, oh crap, that's not a hyena.
Oh, hold on. So
There's like I
there's
see
a
things
lion.
sparkling everywhere.
Yeah, there's a lion and it has what is this? It has a blue thing. Emblem
What
is
is
already
this?
set. Okay, so there's an emblem already
Oh,
set
so
here.
put
And I
yours
have a
over
red
there.
emblem. Hold on. I have a red
Yeah.
emblem. So putting that in,
that
use,
emblem
what's
over
gonna
there.
happen?
What's up, Dada Road? Dada's back in the house.
Dada's back in the house.
Oh, okay, that opened that. Well, let's not go in there yet. I see a lot of stuff.
Yeah, let's look around first. Let's look around. I don't know what we just
Well,
did,
that's
but
60%.
what are you, virus?
And the
I'm at 53. Alligator
Nah.
key. So you have the alligator key. No need to pick it up.
I have it,
myself.
I have it, I
Okay,
have it.
so let's leave it there then.
What? So, oh, there's some herbage over here if anybody wants to mix some herbage.
There's a gate here. What's this gate? No, nothing. It's just
Oh, here's the
that
tra-la-la zone, and by tra-la-la I mean zebra zone.
Okay. Can we go through? No. Doesn't matter, but the
No.
gate is locked.
Oh, there's a door over here. It looks, I don't know if it's open
You
or
know
not.
what? I'm gonna pick up real quick. I
Oh,
saw
there's like,
I saw a reserve real quick. I'm coming. Hold on.
there's like a whole walkway over here. Where's this go? Oh, there's another red herb over here. Oh, it just leads around. Does this door open here on the far left?
Where
I
am
think
I?
there was a door.
I'm getting. The camera is confusing me.
Yeah, this area is big.
I
Let me see.
I like big areas. All right, I'm gonna pick up that green herb over
Oh,
there.
there's handgun rounds here. I think
I don't need
Sydney's the
them.
only one with the handgun rounds. So Sydney, come get these handgun rounds.
Okay, according to Jack, we should be gathering hunter rifle ammo.
Tell Jack to shove it. What does he know about ammo?
Oh man, what is this? Handgun rounds? No. All right, there's a door here. Did you go through this door? There's a door. Here.
JK Jack. No, it doesn't open it. It
Ah,
just
that's-
has handgun rounds in front of it.
Oh, okay, yeah.
I don't think Sydney heard us on the stream yet, but Sydney should go get those handgun rounds because she's the only one with handgun rounds.
No, she has the rifle as well, huh? She's the one that took out
Yeah.
the line with the rifle.
Oh,
She
also
did a very
nobody
good
has
job.
handgun rounds.
That's why I
Oh, yeah.
think Jack is suggesting that we pick up some hunting rifle ammo because.
Oh yeah.
What is this?
So maybe we should hit up that.
I went through front gate. I went through. I don't know what.
Oh, I'm coming. So we should definitely hit up that stupid monkey statue or whatever, raccoon statue.
What is this? Wow, it's
Rocket,
like
rocket,
I'm out on the
rocket.
streets. I'm out on the streets.
Oh, you out on the streets like
I'm
a
at the
thug?
tram. I see the tram. I'm at the tram station. Raccoon Zoo station. Uh-oh. Oh, I think I triggered this. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
Oh, damn it, Vloggy!
I triggered this.
Oh
guy
no!
Okay, we have to take this guy down for sure.
Let's not say we did.
Man, he's mad, huh?
He looks a little upset, a little perturbed.
No. Oh, I'm gonna run. He's in my area. I'm gonna run.
Sydney, take care of that. We'll cover you. And by cover you, I mean run away.
Oh, whoa, I'm too close to him.
Holy moly, holy
Did we
moly,
just
holy
shoot
moly.
him?
I
Did we
wasn't
just
even
shoot
there
him?
yet. Why am I already forced to... Oh, Sydney is chilling in front
This
of
is the boss
Sydney's
fight then.
running
This
away.
has to be the boss. Why am I not auto-aiming
guessing.
though? He's not auto-aiming. I don't know why. What?
Yeah, my character's not auto-aiming either.
Do we just run then? Do we just run?
Let's just run a little bit. Let's see how that works out.
Whoa, he's charging.
Oh, Jesus Christ! Okay, that didn't work out so great. Let's try it. Oh, it's a dead end. I think maybe we
Yeah,
have
it's
to
a
kill
dead
him.
Maybe I have to kill him. But he's
He
not
shot!
auto-aiming.
Oh, Jesus!
Did you see that? Did you see
Sydney
that?
just got launched!
Cindy flew away. Cindy took off. have liftoff. What if I go through this door? Hold on, there's a door here. Hold on, there's a door. What's this door? What's this door?
I'm putting shells up in this mother.
Hold on, I'm safe here, I think.
Doesn't sound accurate.
Hold on, there's the one. Let's make sure it's safe before I can get in the car. Okay, we have to shoot
I'm
them.
loading.
We have to shoot
I'm
them.
loading shotgun shells. Alright, elephant. Say cheese, mother trucker.
Okay, so... Oh, I don't
Okay,
want to fly
so
away. I don't
eat
want to
the
fly.
cake,
I
so-
can't even see. I can't even see.
I'm just shooting
his
into
big
his
butt.
giant-
His big butt is all in.
What?
It's all in my screen.
Oh, he
I
didn't
can't
like
see
me
a thing.
at all, but he's got a huge growth underneath. It's really gross. Yeah,
I'm
I have
shooting. I'm
3
shooting.
more.
I'm shooting.
I have 3 more shotgun shells.
Oh,
I can't see anything.
Reload.
I can't see this giant ass is blocking my
Even me,
whole
I have the
screen.
same
I
problem.
cannot see him.
I had the same problem too. I'm reloading. I'm reloading. Who did this? Somebody took him down. Or not.
I'm gonna say me, but it was definitely Cindy.
No, he's still alive.
Definitely bros.
Who took him out?
Good.
I think it was Cindy then.
It was a team effort, alright? Let's leave it at that.
Okay, I love what's going on in chat. Hold on. Facepalm, Vloggy, you triggered the final boss. Alright. Yes, if I didn't trigger the final boss, we wouldn't be here right now with the boss dead in front
It was totally
of us.
intentional, alright? That was 100% intentional.
So that's
Everything
one.
backed up off Vloggy.
And second of all, there's a hashtag VloggyFall 2017.
Oh, Vloggy's fault.
And also, there's Saranya. Hello, Saranya. Nice to see you.
Hello,
Oh,
Sarania.
looks like we made it out.
Oh, hold on. I want to heal just because I can.
Wait, am I the only one of the...
Hey,
That
don't
wasn't
leave
a
me. Are you
bad
about to
part of
tram
town,
out
really.
without me?
Even a good-for-nothing son of
are
a
you
bitch
getting
like
a
me
cutscene?
might be able to get a few jollies there.
No.
What?
Are you in a cutscene?
What? Yes! Yes! What?
Things like that.
Did you leave without me, you
I don't
asshole?
know. I think I did.
Okay, I see this thing leaving.
I got a
Yeah,
cutscene
Sakura
here.
is right. That elephant had a giant dog.
It was
Let's-
no
let's
time
be
to think
honest.
of having fun.
It had a giant zombie dog.
Hey, Amy.
See? I'm in the tram by myself, all sad.
Okay, so it's not... Okay, so we all took off separately, apparently. We took separate cabs.
Oh, Jesus. Something bad just happened.
Yeah.
The
They're
elephant
supposed to
just
stay dead, but they're
on
getting
the
up.
train.
So your cutscene is behind mine because I got off the train before you did.
Yeah. I
Okay.
just hit some kind of train death station.
Police and the
I see a
National
helicopter
Guard
burning.
continue their efforts to keep the chaos in the city
I don't know
under
what's going on. I
some
can't
semblance
hear
of
the
control.
cutscene.
Their mission is proving to be
My character was talking, but I was talking over him. so I
Yeah,
don't
me.
know. Looks like a lot of zombies just got hit by that helicopter. Is this like an umbrella helicopter or something? Looks military. Okay, that's a dead person.
Oh, we finished it. Okay. I don't know what happened. I have no idea what he was saying on the way out, and I have no idea what the helicopter was all about and why there were so many zombies. Blah 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 blah. But we did it. I got a bad rank D.
Oh, I'm not
I
even
got
there
the
yet.
D.
Oh,
Mia died. Oh, Mia died. I didn't realize.
Oh, Amy told me to shush before. Oh, Amy told me to shut up.
Good one,
Amy
Amy.
was here.
Good one. Good one.
I
one.
miss here. I was about to get all blimey 6 and 7, see? So
I didn't
Amy's in the
realize
house.
that. I didn't realize that Cindy died. Whoops.
Sydney died?
Yeah, look at the screen at the end. I mean, it says "True Alive."
Oh, mine says Cindy alive.
Really? Mine says dead.
Yeah.
That's so weird. That's so weird. I don't get
You
this.
killed her in your scenario. You're a murderer.
I don't know what happened. Honestly, I think we went our separate ways or something. I don't know. It's so strange. It's so weird. Anyway, we did it.
We did it.
did it. Awesome.
Beat that wild thing.
We did it. Exit.
A
Okay.
wild thing.
Save data. Yes, because we earn points when we do that. Override the data. Yes.
Oh, a new bonus thingy has been unlocked. Oh, a costume has been unlocked. A
Really?
movie has been unlocked. Sound.
Nice.
Well,
Mine-
you have that file. You have that file that has everything unlocked already.
Yes, I've got everything unlocked. Yes.
I don't know how I didn't get that.
How about we go one more time? Do you want to go one more time with infinite ammo?
All right, I'll try it. One
All
more
right.
time.
Okay, Mac Knight, if you want to join, we're gonna go again. We're gonna go again, and yeah. If
Who
hold
is
on.
Cindy? Cindy is Resident Evil, and I don't mean that generically, but the person in the chat
Yes.
whose name is Resident Evil.
Exactly. Yes.
I have no idea who that is. That's the first time I've ever seen them in this stream, vloggy stream.
Yeah, even me, even me. It was nice playing with you though. I'm so sad that you died. In my game at least. I don't know.
Your game. You probably killed her on the tram to steal her weapon or something. Because you're a
True,
terrible.
true. I think
person.
Amy. True. I think Amy is asking for it. I think Amy's asking for it. Give us an impression of Amy, please.
Oh, don't worry, guys. Amy's joining us here in a second. You guys, you think she's not?
What?
Amy's gonna play with us here. Let me get her on.
Nah,
Let me
she
get her on
thinks,
Discord.
she thinks Outbreak is boring now. She thinks Outbreak.
Hold on, Amy. I feel joining you right now, but I was having problems with the Queen. Blimey.
What the cuppa?
I had a couple with the Queen, and then I got into a double-decker bus and had more cuppas.
He's discriminating because I'm English. Alright, so room title. Hold on. Oh, what the heck is this? Alright. I want to be funny with this one. How do I make a space? I don't know. So anybody who wants to join, watch carefully what I'm doing right now so you can join. We'd love to have Maconite and even Resident Evil. I don't mind if she joins again.
You want win no pussy? You can't win no pussy. I'm not a win pussy. You're weird, Amy.
Number of players 4. Password's gonna be 6789. 6789. We're gonna go on normal mode and hold on. Wait a minute. I did the boo boo. Never mind. No, because this is the alpha server. I need to go on the Infinite server. Sorry.
Oh yeah.
That's gonna be a big fail.
Oh, Sakura. Yeah, I can't mimic Sakura's accent because then I'd be totally racist. I can make fun of white people. That's about it. Other than that, it's totally racist if I do that.
Alright, so.
That creates me. I don't hate
I
Jack
don't know. Let's go.
that much.
I don't hate Jack that much. I like that.
Get out of here.
I like that. 10 minutes. We're gonna go on normal. Friendly fire. Let's do friendly fire now. Yes.
Oh god, yes, on infinite ammo.
And it's gonna be on nightmare.
What?
Yes. This is gonna be funny. It's friendly fire, nightmare, but we have infinite ammo, okay? On our side at least. So I'm gonna go with Kevin C outfit and we are live. So come join in. McKnight is ready. Okay. So
Where's the room?
the room is you have to go on infinity. Don't forget infinity now. You have to go
Oh,
back.
I'm on the wrong place.
Yes,
That's right.
that's
Yeah.
right. So
That's right. Infinity. I think people are talking shit about me. I'll deal with you in a minute, chat. I'm walking in here.
I'll deal with you in a minute.
Oh, how do you get the different costumes? How do you even get them? Like, use them?
I don't know. Does it not give you the option when you log in or something?
Nah, whatever. I'll just be a good old Mark. What is it? ABC one?
No, it's 789. 6789. I think so. 6789.
6, 7,
I think.
789?
I don't
Oh,
know.
Jesus.
I forgot.
789. I'll try it.
6789. It has to be 4 characters
Damn
for
it.
sure.
Well, I just was the wrong password, so it kicked me out. Okay, I'm in.
Yeah, okay, so
I'm
2
in like
people in.
Flynn.
I'm waiting for. I don't know if Resident Evil Mia wants to join us again, and so you're in, yes? So we're waiting for McKnight.
Yeah, I'm in.
Amy's like, I can do true accents.
Hard sound. Oh, Amy got jokes. Amy's got jokes because she's British. They made those guys that did those movies. The funny British guys that made the holy
Alright.
hand grenade. Oh,
McKnight is in as well. I'm
blimey.
gonna give it another 20 seconds in case
Yeah.
Mia wants to join, but I think she's gone. She's not in chat anymore either. I think the fact that she died annoyed her, so she took off. I don't know.
Yeah, when you killed her on the tram for her ammo, she didn't appreciate that.
I didn't kill her. This is good.
I don't know
Now-
what happened. I was
now-
in my own little tram while you two grew up on
I
your
need to
romantic
test out.
vacation.
I need to test out this friendly fire. I never played the session with friendly fire, so I want to try it
Yeah.
out. I want to see what's gonna
And I
happen.
definitely never played on Nightmare. We got our ass beat on like normal mode.
But we have infinite ammo now, so we can shoot as much as we want.
That's true. We're gonna go ham. I'm gonna go ham
So,
on these fools.
Start game in 3, 2, 1. Okay, this time we try to make it a point to stay quiet during the cutscene, so we actually understand what's going on. Oh, he's as Hunk. He's playing as Hunk. How cool.
Oh dang!
Nice.
Skills. Oh, it's okay, Amy. I heart you. I heart you this much. You can't see it because you're watching Vloggy stream, but I'm making my arms really wide. I heart you this much. Somebody translated. She said I'm unfamiliar with his language. That's English, but I speak American English. Howdy, y'all. I'm true American. I like guns.
Mac
I
Knight,
like
that's not
cowboys.
Mac Knight, that's not the spirit. Come on. That's not the spirit.
We
We're gonna
gonna
do
now?
this. We're gonna do this, man. We're gonna do this. Help, please.
You mean this much? Sakura, don't point things out.
Fun fact: I am watching True Stream, not mine.
I'm watching Vloggy stream.
Really?
I can just see my chat. I can't actually see my stream, but I see my chat. Nobody's talking, so that's why I'm watching your stream.
It's awesome that you're gonna play as Hunk. I didn't know you could play as Hunk.
Yeah, I guess you checked.
There's
mad
mods.
points.
I would love to install the mods where you can play as Leon, Claire, and Wesker and all
Oh,
that
that'd be
stuff.
funny.
Yeah.
They don't really explain why this elephant kills other zombies, though. Normally, they're all cool with each other.
Look, Cindy's back.
To the citizens of Raccoon City.
Oh.
No, but
Why is Cindy back?
because this is Cindy's scenario, that's why. She's gonna die. She's gonna die. The elephant's gonna kill her right away.
Right away?
Yeah.
Ouch. Hello, Mr. Cole 15.
That
How
looks
you
like
doing?
the city zoo's
How
rear
you doing,
gate.
Mr. Cole 15?
If
Welcome.
a rescue
Mr. Cole
team's on the way, I'd better hurry.
He's
Kind
14
of
pounds
bad
better than
feeling
Mr.
about
Cole
this,
1.
But it looks like I should
Slightly
check
less
it
better
out.
than Mr. Cole 16.
When you set up the stream, True, do you do low latency when you set up the event?
You mean on YouTube?
Yeah, there's an option that says low latency.
No, I've never done that.
Yeah, I noticed because it reduces the delay. Look at me! Look at me!
Whoa!
Hey.
Oh,
Yeah,
hey,
baby.
look-
Look at Hunk.
yeah.
Without the mask? Is he bald?
Oh,
what?
he-
Is Hunk
Yeah,
bald?
he looks like Nikolai. He looks like
Yeah.
the evil Russian dude.
Oh man,
I don't
expected
like
you to-
Hunk without a mask
Yeah,
on.
exactly. You're not Hunk. Go away.
Kills the mystique.
Hey, let's do the dance.
Oh wait, I forgot how to dance already.
Count this way.
Let me see.
So you come close to the camera.
How do I dance? I forgot how to dance. Where are you?
Hold on. Let's get close. Let's get this way again because this is
Okay.
we get a better shot here. We got
Yeah, there's a better view over here.
yeah this way. Look.
Right next to Sid.
Let's-
Let's
next
dance.
to
Let's all grind
Let's
on
dance
Sydney.
for Cindy.
Attention!
Wait, how do I do it? How do I do it?
Quick turn.
I forgot how to dance again.
Quick turn. The button
quick
you use
turn?
to run. The button you press to run. Okay. Press
Okay.
forward and keep tapping that button. No, back. Sorry,
left.
back. Press back and keep tapping the button you run with.
That doesn't do anything.
No, come on, no.
Why
The
do I
run
never
button.
remember how to dance?
Okay, the run button.
I press-
The run button. Press back and tap the run button.
Nope, it's not working.
You can never get this right.
Why can I never did? I need like a visual demonstration of which buttons to press on this controller.
You walk backwards. Walk backwards.
Okay, I'll walk backwards.
Okay, and tap the run button.
Oh, I'm
There you
doing it.
go.
Oh, look at me grinding on
Come,
Sydney
come,
back here.
come line up. Come line up here,
Ooh.
right next to me. Come line up. So we're
alright,
gonna do the
get up here.
dance. Hey, V4, nice to see you. I've been thinking about you today, V4. It's like,
But-
how
oh,
you
I bet you
doing?
have.
Oh, look. Hold on.
Hey, get out of my way, hunk.
Yeah, let's do this.
Let's
Let's see if Mac Knight joins us. Come on, join us, Mac Knight. Come on, join us.
Oh, Mac Knight's a hater. Hunk's too serious.
He wants
he's
to kick
kicking at
us.
us. He's kicking
Oh,
us.
I want to try
Totally
something.
jelly.
Speaking of kicking, hold on, let's try something.
Oh, friendly fire!
What?
He friendly fire kicked you.
Let's get out of here, man.
It's anarchy. It's anarchy.
That's it. It's all over.
Oh, zombie.
Yeah, I
don't where
know.
that zombie came
Yeah,
from.
be careful
Let's
now.
run away.
There's.
I'm gonna pick up. What is this? A handgun. Oh, we have
Careful
infinite
now.
ammo.
Run.
Okay. I don't know why I would need a second out. I guess this hunk.
That's Hunk's costume from the Resident Evil 3
Hunk-
epilogue. Oh, really?
Does Hunk
I don't
start
know.
with the gun or not?
Oh, whoever snatches the herbs first. Mine.
Oh, you stole
Mine.
all that herbage, bruh.
Oh, watch out, zombie!
I pressed the defense button instead of fire. Oh, friendly fire! I totally shot. Oh, but
Shotgun!
shotgun
Ah!
first.
You got the shotgun.
Now, who wants to die?
I'm outta here.
Which one of you fools wants it?
Vloggy's got talent. Oh no, I'm out of here, man. I don't trust you with the shotgun.
Vlog, you don't worry. I would never just shoot you in the back.
No, come on, man. That's gonna hurt.
That'd be terrible.
Now people call it talent.
Oh, jokes.
Help me, please, in Nikolai's voice. Hold on. Help me, please.
me.
I can't do it. Help me, please.
I don't know Russian accent.
What the heck? You just shot me! Oh my goodness, I'm in danger! I'm in danger!
I wasn't even aiming at you. I'm sorry.
I'm in
I was
danger!
actually trying to kill that zombie.
Oh,
Oh,
man.
god, this mode is not good. We are gonna
It's
murder
so
each
funny.
other.
It's good, it's good, it's good, it's funny. I like it. Funny is good. Alright, where are the bolt cutters? Oh, zombie! Help me, please!
Oh, I'm coming. I have a shotgun, dude. Who needs help? Get away from him. Yeah.
Wow, I'm on danger. One bite and I'm on danger. Wow.
Sucks. Oh, there's first. John Vloggy, come over here.
Hold
First
on,
aid
hold
spray
on,
by the
hold on.
register.
I'm coming. Hold on.
Yeah, first aid spray.
I'm quite impressed you managed to stay alive up until now. Coming. Oh, I see this spray. Ooh, watch out for the bomb. You get
I got
one-
him, I got
You
him.
get hit once and you're done, huh?
Yeah, Jesus. They don't play here on
This is
Nightmare.
dangerous. Yeah, this is very dangerous. What's this shiny thing on the table? Notebook. Joseph's notebook. Did you pick up the bolt cutters? Has anybody
I did
picked-
not.
We need the bolt
Juan
cutters.
Pablo says shoot Vloggy again. Ah, that's not nice.
I'm gonna get the bolt cutters real quick. Oh, there they are.
Where are the wolf cutters?
I got them.
Did you get them?
Watch out, zombie.
Oh, I'm gonna take care of them.
There's a lot.
Vloggy.
No. Let me get out of your way.
Vloggy. Damn it. It's
I'm
gonna
out of
hurt.
here. This is too messed up. I can't stay here.
Yeah.
It's too messed up. I'm out of here.
Wait, you going that way?
Yeah, well, I got the bolt cutters. We can head to the.
Oh, that's right. We gotta go to the main gate. Main gate.
We can shoot the. Can we kill the elephant now? Well, I don't want to risk it though because we're playing on Nightmare.
Well, everybody's speaking in Espanol.
Yeah.
Sakura speaks Espanol.
Yeah. Sakura speaks Espanol. Everybody is Spanish here, I think, in chat right now. Sakura,
Apparently.
V4, Jackhammer, and I think even
I can't for
McKnight.
sure. I'm half Spanish, but I don't speak Spanish.
Oh, can we shoot Cindy?
Oh yeah, where is Cindy still alive? I mean, we kind of left her with like a zombie.
Standing there. Does she say anything if we talk to her? No.
Oh, there's a zombie coming.
Okay, I'm gonna do this real quick. You cut the chain. Okay, maybe this guy. Listen to what he says.
Who? Mark? I mean Kevin?
Maybe we can look.
Say something stupid.
May as well have a little fun while we're at it.
Oh,
Seriously?
Vloggy, why is
Seriously?
your character so lame?
Why is my character so stupid?
Why is Vloggy
Always
always Kevin? and
Because
not
I
Mark?
like-
I'm Mark Sakura.
It's
That's
very.
why.
I like Kevin because it's very reminiscent of Resident Evil 2 because I'm a big fan of RE2. Why is
He is very
why is always Kevin and not Mark? Why should I be Mark? Why is everybody? Am I fat?
Okay.
I'm Mark because he's hilarious. All right, everybody, back off, Mark.
But no, he's very reminiscent of RE2 with the RPD and the uniform. I
He's
don't know.
very Leon-y.
Plus, he starts off with a gun. I mean, I know he's
Like,
Uh-oh, here it comes.
he's like Leon's understudy.
Should we try?
Hello.
Or not?
Yeah, can we just kill him now?
But remember,
Yeah.
one hit and you're dead, huh?
Oh, that's true. Screw that. Let's run away. Oh, Juan Pablo. I don't speak Spanish, but
I'm Kevin. I'm playing as Kevin.
Lo siento, soy Alejandro.
Oh, I'm out of here! Run,
know what that means,
run.
Oh,
Oh, she's dead.
He's dead.
Yeah, I told you she dies right away.
Running behind his giant ass.
I can't even see a thing. Oh, there I am.
I think I'm running the right way. Okay. Are we gonna run? Oh yeah, that door's locked straight ahead, so we gotta run right. He's leaving. Elfin. Do we
Is
want
he?
this sweet herbage?
Did you notice my hair and my jacket in this game?
Make
look at
you
my
look
hair.
like,
I look like John
Thor?
Travolta in what, Grease. Like, hey baby.
Hey, baby. Kevin,
I'm not gonna shoot. I'm not gonna shoot. We were playing on Nightmare. We can't risk shooting each other.
Oh yeah. Wait a minute, Hunk's evil. Hey, Hunk.
There's gonna be the hyenas here. Be careful.
Oh, they're about to taste some shotgun if they are.
You know what? I'm gonna go through here. Right
Where are you?
Oh, this way. What's this? Shutter's closed.
Oh, hyena.
What the heck? There's a shutter this time. We can't just go through.
Crap. Ow!
Sorry. I was aiming. Sorry. That was not intentional. I promise. You were on caution.
I am on caution. I
Do
wonder
you
how
have
that
healing?
happened.
Yeah. I was trying to
I have
aim
healing.
it.
I'll save it.
So funny.
That's the alligator block here. R.I.P. Cindy. Yep. Sydney's waitressing skills didn't transfer into the zombie apocalypse.
Reaper's like, run, cowards, run!
Hey, we don't run, all right? It's a tactical retreat. Ask Jackhammer about that.
Oh, this game looks really good for a PS2 game, huh?
Yeah. Hunk's character just reminds me of Solid Snake from like
Alright, be careful, guys.
Metal Gear. Oh yeah, Elfin's gonna wreck our
Look
world
from the
up
inside. It doesn't work. Don't shoot it.
Here. Don't shoot it.
Watch out.
Where is that breaking through? Damn
Take
it,
this
Hunk,
with
I
me.
can't see anything. You're all in my character.
Watch out! Here!
Oh, he's about to get shotgun. Back up, son.
I think the next scenario that we're gonna play is Decisions, the one in the Raccoon Police Department. Oh,
Just
the
another decisions.
I said Decisions. Sorry, Desperate. That's called Desperate Times. Sorry, Desperate Times.
Oh.
Hey, why did I say Decisions? And
No,
there's
you really
gonna
like
be,
that one.
and there's in this game has like two kinds of scenarios. There's like one of them is called End of the Road, and then there's another one called End of the Road Part 2, I think, if I'm not mistaken.
Huh.
End
Oh,
of
what's
the-
this passcode for this electrical panel thing?
What, really?
Did we use that last time? I don't even remember
No.
using that.
It got tougher at the game because we're playing on. What is this?
Oh, this is the stupid
Ornaments.
medallion.
Yeah, and it's pointless.
Well, we don't need this room because all it does is give us ammo and we have infinite ammo. We need weapons.
Yeah, but still, I mean, I would love the rifle instead of this stupid pistol now.
Well, but the rifle wasn't in that room, remember?
But everything's been reshuffled now, huh? Keep that in
Oh,
mind
that's
now.
true, huh? Wait, you both picked up the elephant key? It's unnecessary. Alright, well, we definitely have the elephant key.
Alright,
Let's go to the elephant place.
Let's go to the elephant area.
I unlocked it.
Alright, let's go.
Oh, should we try and unlock the shutter door? Is that a thing we can do?
I don't think it's gonna be necessary though. I mean, the shutter door was just a shortcut, really.
Okay. I want to shoot this stupid elephant in the face. Come here, elephant. Let's through that window. I dare you.
Watch out.
Where?
Is this gun better than mine, Jack? Is this gun better than the one I
This one
have?
better than mine.
Handgun.
And the gun.
I don't think so. This is the 45. Oh, what does it say? It doesn't really.
Your character starts with the 45. That should be stronger.
Yeah, I think so.
Because the other ones are just 9mm. I don't want to get all Jack on you, but you know.
Yeah, I mean, from the looks of it, it looks like it's the Albert.
I hear
gun.
bad music and my screen is shaking, so
Yep. Careful.
wait, did I go the right way?
We should do every man for himself.
I know, everybody just runs off. Is this the
Maybe
right way?
Gonna be
I'll go the
close.
wrong way.
No problem, Sakura. Take your time.
Huh? Make those calls. I assume
This
you're
way.
calling me.
This way. This way.
Say
this
hi.
Way, this way. Oh, there's
Do
a
we
blue
wanna move
herbage.
this?
There's a blue herbage. I think we should stock up on blue herbages, huh?
Oh yeah, definitely blue herbages. I want to see what's down here if they reshuffle stuff.
They have.
Oh, it's just ammo.
Have you noticed how many blue herbages we've been finding already? I picked up one already, and there's another one blue here.
wow.
Oh, he's
Oh,
coming!
no.
He's coming! He's
Oh.
coming! He's coming!
Use the key, use the key, use the
I'm gonna
key.
use the key. I'm gonna use the key.
I'm gonna pick up this blue herb.
I'm out of here.
Run away!
Oh, by the way, everyone who's in chat, and even you, True, I'm gonna be playing Quiplash on Friday. I don't know if you can join. It would be awesome if you could. You ever played Quiplash? You know what it is? You know what it is?
I never heard of it.
It's so cool. It's so cool.
Is it on? What is it? PC or what is it?
It's like the game asks questions. Everybody participates, and anyone can participate, even with a smartphone. They can join the game. It asks questions like, for example, a random thing to call your friend's baby, for instance, and everybody makes up these answers. And whoever's the funniest, then we vote on each other. It's so much fun.
Oh, I know what you're talking about. Power isn't connected.
Oh no,
we're not
seriously?
locking. We're not locking him in this time.
Oh.
Oh, I bet that. Oh, look at that old BGM tape. Oh, there's all kinds of crazy crap you have to do on Nightmare Mode to get this stuff to work.
Yeah, it wasn't easy. Most of the puzzles were already solved. In fact, remember,
Yeah.
even the lions,
Lions?
even the lions, the lion emblems.
Oh
one of
yeah,
them was
one of
already in
those things
place.
was already there.
Exactly. So, what is this? What is
Forgot.
that key?
What's your knife?
Oh, watch out!
Oh, oh! That bird snuck by me. That bird snuck by me.
Watch out! Be careful with your shots. I'm out of here.
My character like straight turned into your face.
Yes, V4. That would be awesome if you could join Quiplash. It's fun. Another shotgun. Get down! It's mine. Mine, I tell you. Shotgun.
me.
Nice. I have shotgun. Now I can shoot Mac Knight. No.
There we go. Hey, Mac. There's that. Oh wait, it's not a blank tape anymore. Now it's a parade BGM tape. I think you have to play that tape.
We have to play
after
the
you turn
tape.
the power on to lure the
Exactly.
elephant. That's funny.
Exactly.
All right, well screw that. We're not doing that. Hey, get out
He's
of the
holding
way.
your door.
It's like it's blocked by something. Looks like McKnight. All right, parakeet. Say hi to my little friend.
No, Cheer, I didn't do that. You're lying. That doesn't sound like me.
Wow, there's another blue herb down here. Jeez. There's blue herbage here. Oh, wait a second. Do we have to do the puzzle to lure that elephant in? Because Homeboy drops the emblem.
Exactly,
from the
you're
top of
right,
the
yeah.
gate.
I just unlocked the door. I don't know what where this is gonna lead.
I'm gonna leave.
Oh,
the
elephant
B-roll.
stage. No, this is not. Hey, Red
Definitely gonna
Rooster. Welcome, Red Rooster.
Red Rooster, Red Rooster.
Red Rooster.
Red Rover, Red Rover. Come on over.
The elephant's not here though. At least we're good.
So, damn it. So how do we turn the power on this thing? Here, I'll grab that tape and I guess put the tape in because we have to do that.
Yeah, but don't play it now because it will attract the elephant. We don't want to attract him now. Oh,
Oh,
he's
that's
coming!
true.
There's no point for the tape. He's here already.
Let's just
Ah!
murder this fool. We got 2 shotguns.
Go get
Blast.
McKnight. Go get McKnight. Go get McKnight. Oh my goodness.
No way. I'm here to save the day. You want some of Big Daddy? You get some of Big Daddy.
Nice. So where do we restore the power? Maybe it's over here. I don't know. Where are you, Joe? I lost you.
I'm blasting this fool.
Lost in this fool? What fool?
Yo,
The-
McKnight, put
the
bullets
elephant.
in this guy. What's wrong with you? Shoot him. The elephant's like stuck, so I think we should definitely take advantage of this and blast this fool.
Okay, I'm at the area where there was the bees.
All right, you do things.
Because there was
we'll
a
do
puzzle
things.
here. And
Hopefully this thing works.
I'm gonna push the box in the crate on the Vileplume again.
I'm not sure he's killable at this point.
Look, Vileplume's gonna get squished. It reminds me of Vileplume, the Pokemon.
Don't kill Vile.
Power isn't
He only
connected.
fainted.
Oh no! Run!
My hand is getting tired. I'm putting so many shells in this elephant.
Oh no! Oh, I'm poisoned. Oh, no. Run.
We got blue shells. We're all good.
There's no power though. There's no point to do this. No!
We got him. We killed him.
You killed what? Really?
Yep.
Nice. GG.
Infinite ammo, baby. Now I'm gonna put some victory shots in his head. Oh yeah, I see the dude up there. We still have to do the stupid puzzle though, because the dude
Yeah,
on the
yeah.
gate has the damn thing.
I'm trying to figure out where to power on the. Because there's no power. There's a way to switch on the power or something. I don't know how or where, but
I have no idea how. I actually
V4 is playing Pokemon Yellow. That's so cool.
Pokemon Yellow. That's a good one.
Yeah. I would love to stream Pokemon soon.
Are you in the beer room?
Oh, I'm actually in the alligator room now. I'm in the alligator area.
Okay. Oh, we don't need that tape anymore. I guess the little stupid elephant. We just need power.
Hold on, let me see if I can. Ah, stupid bird! This is not a bird. This is not a parrot actually. It's like a toucan or something.
It's Toucan Sam.
Gotcha. Now, Mr. Alligator, come
Ow!
over here. Come over here, Mr. Alligator. Can I
Ow!
shoot the alligator?
Oh, I don't know. Now's a good time to try.
Yeah.
Infinite ammo, baby.
Come. Oh yes, I am shooting. I see.
Oh man, the elephant's not dead. He's just like out. He fainted like a Pokemon. He's
Really?
still wiggling. Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay, the alligator's down, I think. Yes, he is. Yes. I killed the alligator. Or crocodile, whatever.
The alligator, crocodile. Watch
Vloggy.
out, Jack
you
Hammer's
didn't try
probably
to load
also
the
a
info-
wildlife expert.
Oh man.
Jack Hammer's gonna be like, that is the southeastern alligator, the African province of Zimbabwe.
Oh, there you are. You're right behind me. I think
Oh, me?
Mac is following you as well. Is that you,
Me?
right? You are. That's you.
I
yeah?
don't see any of you guys.
What? You're in the water. Yes, you're next to the alligator. Yeah.
No, I'm like,
Who did I see
have a
in the
cotton
water?
candy
I saw
machine,
somebody
Mark.
in the water. Oh, okay. No, it's Mac Knight. Mac Knight's over here. Oh my
there's a
goodness.
zombie in the water there.
No, it was Mac Knight. Ah, that terrified me. It's like, who is it then? Who is it then?
Like,
Worried me a little bit. I peed my pants. Where are you though? I miss you.
I don't know where I am. 'Cause I don't know where you guys are.
Okay, you know how to get
Are
to
you-
the. You know how to get to the
the
alligator
beer room?
area. Alligator area.
Oh, did you have to crawl through that little hole?
Not yet. No. Ooh, hold on. Hold on.
I think I'm
Just get
way,
this guy.
way far away.
All right. No. Remember when Mia found that door, Cindy, whatever, next to the bees area?
Yes,
I'm
yes.
gonna wait there. I'm
okay.
gonna wait for you there.
I know.
Go through and then cross the water.
See ya, Jane.
Yeah. Thank you so much for hanging out. You're awesome. My team now is Charmeleon, Pidgey, Victory Bell, and Nidoking. I would love to battle you one day, V4. I would love to battle you, and then
Oh, yeah.
you'll defeat me.
Charizard and Pidgeotto. My team is 6 Charizards. We
Where are
win.
you? Are you getting close?
I'm in the terrarium.
Yes,
zone,
alright, yes. Make sure you go to that door then.
And I'm making my way downtown.
Making my way
This is
downtown.
fast. This is past walking fast and homebound.
No, 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 no. Why am I crawling all of a sudden? What? How am I?
Crawling.
Yeah, I'm not crawling, like limping. Combine?
You're
What the heck?
limping.
All of a sudden.
Alligator.
I had no
alligator
idea.
game?
I was poisoned and I had no idea I was poisoned. What the heck?
Oh, you're poison. Ouch. Yeah, you are
That
poison.
happened.
I have some blue herb and a heal. Oh, Hunk's poison. Ow, damn it. Oh my god!
Oh,
You
sorry.
shotgunned
I was
me.
trying to get the bird. Sorry, you just walked in. You just walked in.
Oh my god!
I'm so sorry.
just
You
put me
okay,
in
dude?
danger.
You okay?
Oh my god!
Do you have healing?
No,
I'm so
in
sorry.
danger. I have heal. Oh my god, I'm gonna have to mark that time this uploads because you just shotgunned me right in the face.
I'm so sorry. I am so sorry. No, I was just trying to
Oh.
get the bird, and then you just walk in. Boing.
Like, hey guys, I'm here. Blast.
We would love to see us play Desperate Escape
the-
Professional Mode. Would be awesome.
Is professional mode even a mode?
Apparently, yes. I'm in. She's talking about Resident Evil 5. There's Desperate Escape. I never played that.
Oh, I thought that was a level here.
No, no. Yeah,
Oh,
for a second I
Desperate
thought it was a
Escape.
scenario. But no, it's an RE5.
I still haven't beat Resident Evil 5. One of these days.
Oh my goodness. Hello, TK.
Well, I mean,
whoa, whoa, whoa!
technically,
Careful,
I
careful.
beat it. I just haven't played the whole game through in order. Uh oh. Got him. I'll cover you while you do things.
Yeah, okay. Whoa, whoa,
He's
watch out,
coming,
watch out,
he's
he's back
coming.
up. Shoot him.
Oh, whoa! He's a quick one.
I'm just gonna go through the door. Go up the stairs. We're gonna go through that room real
Going
quick.
upstairs. Oh, Toucan Sam's all up in my grill. Get off me. Oh god. He put me
Where's
in danger.
McKnight? We lost McKnight.
He's coming, he's coming. Oh god, that stupid bird does a lot of damage on Nightmare. Oh Jesus. I'd rather play Our Darkest Cut than play in this game.
Oh, I
it's
found
true.
me a new
Ouch!
gun. I found me a new gun.
Dang!
I'm getting this gun
Cheer!
now.
Shots fired, Cheer. What did I ever do to you?
Okay, I replace it now. I have my hunter rifle.
Okay, here's the alligator key. I'll grab it.
Nice. Okay, so we still don't have power. I don't know where to switch on the power.
Oh yeah, damn. Oh, Hunk. What's your name? Who's playing with us?
McKnight.
McKnight, come get the shotgun.
Yeah,
Why did you-
that's mine. I just dropped it there. I have the rifle now.
Oh, I know. Well, why did you
Let me try it. Let me test it.
Yep.
On true.
just keep it on you? Hey, you already shotgun me in the face. Just keep here. Grab the shotgun so we can give it to him, so we don't have to like wait for him to come up here. I'll grab it.
All right, let's go.
Shotgun E. Why is this called Shotgun E? It's so weird.
I think maybe it was empty. Shotgun. It was empty originally. I don't know.
That's an odd title for a shotgun.
Floggy with insta kill rifle. Is it insta kill? Uh oh. Is it? I need to be careful around my friends then.
When you
Oh, watch out! Watch
game
out! Watch
over
out! Watch
me-
out! Watch out! Watch out! Watch out!
Ow!
I don't want to shoot him. I don't want to shoot him. Hold on! Hold on! Be careful! Man. Whoa! I got him. I got him. I'm on caution though. I need to find healing.
Where
Watch out
is-
because there's a hide as soon as you go
where's
down.
McKnight?
We
McKnight,
lost
I have
him.
a
Is he still
shotgun for
alive?
you.
He's not.
don't
He's not in
know.
the area. He's not in the area. Oh, there's
Is he on shot?
there's a red herb. I'm gonna pick it up real quick. Let's go through the
That
hole.
Good job, bro.
Let's go through the hole real
Oh
quick.
yeah. Dude, that's always Floggy's answer.
Something is blocking it. What?
Damn it! Nightmare sucks, man.
Oh, watch out.
Oh wow, that is an insta-kill. One shot with that thing in there.
Yeah. What do we do? Have we been here? No. Doesn't look like we've been here.
Doesn't look familiar.
Oh, I'm under caution. I'm into online.
This door is locked as an alligator. Okay, I have alligator key.
Oh, there's McKnight. He's here. He's back.
Oh, hey, McKnight, I got.
Welcome back. There's a shotgun if you go upstairs. McKnight. If you can
Oh, I
hear
have
us.
it, I have it, I have it, I have it.
You got his shotgun. Oh, okay.
Hey, you!
Here.
Call him by
Oh,
name.
is he listening to me? Come
Go.
take this thing.
Call him by name.
Help! Mark!
I don't know.
Hey,
how.
you!
There, he figured it out.
Hey!
Hey, you!
Hey, you! Over here!
Hey, you!
You don't know his name. Hey, you.
Hey,
you.
Hey, you guy
Hey,
that
you. So rude.
surviving the apocalypse with.
Oh, don't remember. Tiger zombie. Tiger zombie. Or not. No, no.
Oh! Oh, wait, where are we?
Oh, we went around the circle. Okay, so we need to find
I hear
out
movement. I hear
the
movement.
alligator key now. We need to find the alligator key.
I have it. I just used it on that
Yeah,
door.
sorry. Oh, okay. Whoa, you just shot me.
What?
Yeah.
How?
But I'm good. I'm good. I'm still okay.
Oh, sorry. We're shooting the ground here. Wow, friendly fire is rough. Get that pipe. That's infinite ammo.
Infinite pipe. Where do we go from here now? I'm confused.
I don't know. I
The alligator
don't really have
key.
much. I don't really have much time left, and I have no idea where we're supposed to go.
If you gotta go, don't worry about it. I mean, we already finished it, so our job is
Yeah.
done. Mission is complete already. So.
I can play a little longer. Maybe try and figure something out. We all got shotguns and rifles, so at least we can kill stuff.
Is it up here? Have we been up here? Have we been up here?
No. I think we've been here. Lock. South Concourse? Hmm.
Now then.
Oh yeah, this is where Sydney. Sydney's still here. She's dead.
She's
I
rip-
like that. That's the only thing my character said.
Still
She's dead.
ripping. Now where to? I'm confused. Trying to figure out which key is the alligator one. Is it this one? No, I think.
No, I used the alligator one already.
Yeah, but I think there's another door that uses the alligator key.
This is a lion. This is a lion key over here.
Oh man. There's not many zombies in this game though, eh?
No, it's kind of weird. I was expecting to be zombies in like every room on Nightmare.
On Nightmare, they just damage you faster.
Yeah, I guess they just put one in and that one puts you on bleed mode instantly.
Where do we turn on the power? We need to switch on the power.
Yeah, did we miss something?
Let's go back here. Let's go back. Let's go back here. This
Alright.
alligator thing.
Alligator thing.
Path in front of observation deck. We need to supply the power, and I don't know how.
Well, there was a control panel, right? Somewhere in one of those rooms, but you needed a password for it.
Oh,
Hey, did we do that crawl thing? Oh no, yeah, we did the crawl thing already. We crawled over.
no, we tried to crawl, but there was something blocking.
Oh, that's right, we can't
Something's
even do the
blocking
crawl.
it, yeah.
Did we go upstairs?
We've been upstairs as
Oh,
well, yeah.
upstairs, yeah, that was the rifle room.
That password thing, the password. Let me look at the files real quick. Maybe we'll find something in the files. I haven't been reading the files anyway. I have to...
Oh wait, here it is, Electron System E67C.
Is that the password? Oh, watch
Yeah.
out, watch out, watch out, watch out! Hyena right behind you! There you go.
Oh, Hunk got a little bit hurt on that. Oh wow, one hit and he's already in bleed.
Oh, watch out,
run,
watch out, watch out,
run,
watch out.
bird. Just get out of here, just get out of here.
Let's get out of here, let's get out of here. Let's get out of here.
Gotta
There's no
find
point in
the
shooting.
computer.
Out, 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 out.
Where is that computer?
Alright, so you got the password, yes?
Yes.
And you saw coming. Was it in the office, perhaps?
It was like, I want to say upstairs somewhere. Damn it.
Watch out, watch out, watch out. Is the alligator back?
I don't know. This
No.
bird is all up in my grill. Got it. Oh god!
I'm swimming. No, the alligator's still there.
Oh wow, Hunk shot the bird above my head and somehow didn't hit me. That's impressive. I thought I was about to get my head blown off. Damn it, Hunk just shot me.
I'm out of here. Survival of the fittest.
Damn it, McKnight. Stop shooting the birds, McKnight. Just fine, just run.
Alright, now where to? Okay. Keep going straight. I'm going to the office.
Oh, yeah, the office.
It's the office
That's
where you
what-
saw it, yeah? Oh, stupid
Yeah.
bee. I'm fine. Still
Oh,
fine.
you just stopped.
Oh, stupid bee. Now I'm poisoned. Nice.
I'm gonna go up and over. Maybe I'll get less chance of poison.
God dang it. I got poisoned again. Let's see how long I'll last.
Ow! Oh, I forgot about plant 42's all in here.
Oh, blue herbage. You get the
Oh crap! I'm in bleed. I'm in danger. I went from fine to danger from one plant 42 attack.
birds. Nice. Okay, let me just heal real quick. I found the blue herb. That's good. Blue herb, use. No, I'm
I
just
see. I see Hunk over there. He's also in danger. Oh no! Oh no! I think I'm gonna die.
We're gonna keep playing till everyone dies. Let's see. Let's see who
wow.
survives the longest.
I'm not dead. That's impressive that I'm not dead.
Alright, so I'm gonna see if I can make it to the office. Maybe you can just tell me what the password is. And
Yeah. Just let me know.
the elephant is still moving, yeah.
Yeah, he's still
breathing.
wiggling around.
Yeah. You're just taking a nap.
So I guess he'll just leave us alone until that final boss battle.
Exactly, yeah, that's what it is. But at least, no more.
Yeah, at least he's not bugging us now. Oh, I think Hunk just got poisoned.
Ah.
I see we're both like totally crippled.
My bet is that he
Walking
will the
over
one.
here.
He's the one that's gonna die first.
I think so. I think he just got poisoned.
Then me, then you.
Yep. It'll be an interesting game.
Oh, watch out,
Are
watch out,
you-
donkey! Whoa, come on, seriously, doggy.
Donkey. There's a donkey here.
Doggy, not donkey.
Oh, doggy.
Doggy. Hold on, because
Zombie donkeys.
I got a McAfee notification right in front of the game screen. Hold on.
Oh, McAfee. I hate McAfee.
Should probably uninstall this now. Hold on, let me just remove the notification. It's right up in my face.
All
Close.
up in your grill.
There we go. Hey Marianne, welcome.
Over there.
As you can see, we're playing some Outbreak today.
Hello, Marianne.
Playing some Outbreak with Drew and McKnight.
McKnight.
Mac Knight wins.
Mac Knight is totally gonna die.
You should have carried him. Why aren't you carrying him? Come on, you should be.
I'm crippled too. Can two crippled people carry each other?
You crippled as well? Oh my goodness.
Yeah, man, I'm in danger. I'm hardcore danger.
I'm on caution right now. Yellow caution though.
I forgot where the office is. I'm gonna.
No, this is the office. Where's the computer?
I look like a zombie.
I found the
Don't shoot
laptop.
me.
Hold on.
Don't
Password.
shoot
It's
me in
asking
the
me for a
head,
password.
my
What's the
boy.
password then?
Oh, hold on.
Hold on. Maybe I have it too. Hold on. Since you picked it up, I should have it too. I think.
Probably.
No, I don't. Message from
Here you go.
management. Oh yes, E67C. I found it. E6.
Yeah, there it is.
E6. E.
I guess I'll head back to the elephant since you turned the power on there, so I might as well head back.
6, 7. You know what you should do? Head to the elephant area now.
That's where I'm going.
Okay, good.
Oh, here's McKnight.
What just happened? Oh yeah, I'm restoring
Oh,
the power. Yes, okay.
Turn the power on. Oh, now those puzzles work.
Oh,
Whoa,
my
what
goodness,
the hell is that room?
And this room.
What is that
What's
room?
all this? Oh man.
Well, I think that's the room to play the tape to lure the elephant, but we don't need to do that anymore because we.
Vloggy,
blasted
tell him I'm Brazilian, okay? Tell who? Sorry, tell who? What am I missing? Look at the character.
Dude, McKnight and I walking around all crippled, hunched over. Like,
I'm starting to think that I'm gonna be the survivor.
I think so. If I get like hit by one bee, I think I'm gonna die.
1B. All right, we need to
Not
drop
even a
that
zombie
bee.
bee. Like a normal bee is gonna sting me. I'll be like, ow!
Oh man. If I find some healing, I'll bring you over. But hold on, actually, I'm gonna look around for you guys. Hold on.
Yeah, healing's a little low on
Let's see
this.
if I can find something. Nothing in here. Nothing in here. Looking around. Maybe I can bring something to you guys. But then you have to fight over it, huh?
Yeah, we'll kill each other for it. Battle
It's
Royale
not with a
style.
simple
Oh no!
love.
Oh no! I think I'm gonna die.
Don't
I think
die,
I'm gonna
please! Don't leave me alone!
I think a bird's gonna kill me.
Oh man, I should
Oh,
have
I'm
your
alive.
I should
I'm
be having
still
your
alive.
back.
I'm trying to hobble up these stairs.
Maybe I should be having your back. Well, having your back. Try to shoot a zombie dog, and I'll get you guys.
They're totally gonna murder me.
Hold on. I'm coming. Help me, please.
Help me, buddy.
Please help me, indeed.
Oh, I'm dead.
You're dead. You died.
Oh no, I can still be like rescued, I think, but you guys gotta hurry up and get here.
Oh, sorry, that's bad of me. But I went.
Hey, that kite, help me.
V4 is giving me the business. Like, why aren't you helping them? Why did you go your separate way? I went to switch on the power. Hold on. Maybe there's something down here for you guys.
Hey, Bad Vloggy and True, I'm totally crippled too. I need help.
Hold on. I'm coming. Maybe I can help you guys with something. What is this?
I think McKnight's gonna save me. McKnight save me. Oh, but he
Really?
went down. Oh crap.
Oh my goodness!
I got it. I'm gonna save you,
coming!
McKnight. I'm gonna save you.
coming!
I'm gonna save you.
I'm gonna
McKnight.
end up shooting
I'm
you
gonna
guys
save
by
you.
mistake.
I'm gonna save you, brother. I'm gonna save you. How do I save him? How do I do stuff? There we go. I got him.
Of
I got
course
him.
you are gonna survive because you're using everyone as bait. I'm not. I went to power on the
We're
power
alive.
thing.
We're alive.
Where are you guys? Where are you?
We're heading to the power. I mean, we're heading to the room that controls the cage.
Exactly.
I
Are you
think.
anywhere close? Maybe I can help
Now
you
that I
guys.
think about that, I don't know if we are doing it the right way.
I'm looking for you. I'm gonna switch on the power, guys. Don't worry. Leave it up to me. Just
well, yeah.
look after
do
yourselves.
power.
I'm gonna switch on
I'm
the
just
power.
trying to switch the gate.
Because I know I'm right here.
Big cripple. Okay, I'm in the elephant stage room, so we can turn this
Oh, I found the
power.
first aid
Are you-
spray. I found the first aid spray. Guys, where are you? I found the first aid spray for
Oh,
you.
hey, there you are. Hey,
There's a spray here. Come on, over here. This way. Uh-oh.
I see it.
Did you do that?
I'm just gonna activate this.
Alright, good. Pick up the spray. There's a spray right next to the entrance. Where
Okay.
next to the ladder. Hey Zid, welcome. Welcome, nice to see you.
Hello, Zid.
Welcome. Come over here. There's a sprayage.
Strange.
There's a sprayage.
Oh, a little sprayage over here, huh?
Sweet sprayage.
Oh, let me get some of
McKnight
that
is limping.
sprayage.
All you guys are limping. I'm so sorry.
Sorry, McKnight, but I'm totally fine.
Would
right
you like me to
now.
put
Let
you
me
out of
help.
your misery?
Let me help you, brother.
Would
Don't
you like
worry,
me
I
to put you
got
out of your misery?
I got you, baby boy.
I'm gonna go
Don't
get
worry
the.
about you.
Let's go get the
Take
key.
care of you, baby. Where?
Let's go get the key.
Lead the way.
The thing that was dropped.
Lead the
yeah.
way.
Yeah. Yeah.
Gonna help.
You guys should let me move ahead to kill any creatures and just in case there's anything.
Any badness. Don't worry, McCripple.
Alright.
I'm gonna take care of you.
Alright, there was some birds. They're down.
Yeah, those birds messed us up bad.
It's okay, we're good. Oh, there's another bird. Careful, careful, there's another bird. But I'm not gonna shoot it because I don't want to hit you
Do
guys.
not shoot him! Do not shoot that bird!
Like night in chat.
For the love of God.
Oh man.
We got you, McCripple.
Alright, I'm gonna go get the key real quick.
Alright.
Oh, the elephant's gone. Uh-oh.
Oh, yep. That's not good.
Rifle rounds, I don't need those.
Oh, I grabbed him. There we go.
Shotgun rounds, I don't need those. What? What?
What? What do you mean? Oh, there's no emblem?
Exactly. Did we just...
There's no ammo? It's just ammo?
Yeah.
What the hell did we do all...
Oh wait, hold on, there's other stuff here. Hold on, what's all this?
Games.
Handgun magazine.
No, I left that there. What the hell?
Okay, but that puzzle is also switched on, so maybe we can go check it out real quick. But I don't suggest you guys follow me because there's bees and stuff.
Yeah, that's true.
Let me go see if I can switch on those. You guys should stay here. You're safe here.
We'll just hang out. We'll just hang out here because even an extra has those birds that killed us almost. So we'll just hang
You're
out.
at 75%, McKnight. Oh wow.
I'm at 80.
What? Seriously? I'm at 38.
Yeah, when we-
I'm at 38%.
When we died, when you fall down on the ground, your
man.
poison. I mean, your virus goes super fast. So we were just
Wow.
wrecked.
I'm gonna go see if I can actually do this puzzle thing real quick. Hold on.
No, Hunk is Hey You.
Hey you!
Hey You, man.
Guys, I have something for Hunk. Real quick. I have something for Hunk. I'm coming. Stay there. I'm coming back. I have a green herb. At least. Better than nothing. I hope I don't get poisoned. I hope I don't get poisoned. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. I'm coming, guys. I'm coming. I got a green herb.
We're hanging out here.
Hey you!
Hey you.
We're surviving by a thread. Hold on. Hold on. Ooh, 2 birds. No, not the birds. Not the birds.
You'll be alright, Bloggy. I believe in you.
I'm gonna need to hurt myself. I need to hurt myself. Sorry.
Oh my god.
What?
What a waste. So where are we going?
I'm sorry. Don't go anywhere now. I'll stay there. I'm sorry.
I'll just dance.
So sorry. I had the herb. I was on my way, but I had to use it. Oh man, because I was in danger. Stupid birds on my way back. I'm gonna look around. Maybe I can find something else. Hold on.
And I killed McKnight. Oh, no. JK.
Alright. Oh, stupid vine. Go away. Go away. Ugh. Oh no, I'm on danger as well. I'm on danger as well. I'm limping. We can do this. Oh man, this is the end for me now.
Are you gonna die?
I'm limping as well now. I don't know if you're looking at the screen.
Do we have to go save you now?
No, it's
On
fine.
your
I'm gonna be
rescue
okay.
mission?
Ah, there's a vine. How am I gonna get past this without the vine hitting me?
Well, McCripple's going somewhere. I don't know where he's going.
Alright. So if you shoot the
Oh,
vine,
you
it won't
can't get
attack you.
past.
Alright.
Oh, if you shoot it, it goes away.
There's something here.
Oh yeah, I guess I never tried that now that we've unlimited ammo. Birds! The birds! Why did I go in here?
Ah, man. I'm
Screw
sorry.
that. Like
I'm
Knight's
limping
on his
as
own.
well.
I don't know where he went, but he's off in the world.
Is this it? Is this where Vloggy dies first? Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! There's the bees! Bees!
True will save us all. Oh, the elephant didn't disappear. The elephant actually transformed into the middle of the ring, unconscious.
Oh, okay.
That's
Switch on
funny.
Power. I just switched on something else. I don't know what I did, but okay. Raccoon medal. I picked up a raccoon medal. I don't know if... I'm on danger. Oh, the bees are attacking me.
All the bees. I'm gonna
Stupid
explore.
bees.
What's our next course of action after this?
I have the raccoon medal. I don't know what it's gonna give us, honestly.
Oh, to head to the
Oh,
office.
McKnight died. Really? Did he die?
Did he?
I don't know. He said he died.
Oh, dang it, McKnight. I let you go for like 5 seconds and you died.
Oh man.
Alright, 2 down. Or 1 down.
One
There we
down.
go.
You're already considering me dead.
You're gonna be alright, Bloggy. No, I have total faith in you.
Stupid danger. I need to make my way back and I'm limping.
Make your way downtown. Oh!
What? You dead?
A hyena, totally. Wow, these hyenas are really strong.
We can do
Oh, they
this.
make little hyena noises. Woo!
Oh, we can do this.
Bloggy,
Bees, go
what are
away,
you doing
bees.
over there? Oh, Lord.
Okay. Stupid bees. Go away, please. Let me be.
Drew is
Oh,
total.
one last puzzle.
I'm gonna head to the monkey room.
One
By
last
monkey,
light
I mean
puzzle.
the Rocket Raccoon. Well, this room's a lot easier when the elephant isn't like breaking every window.
These lights, I don't know. These lights things are a puzzle. I switch one on and the other one goes off apparently.
True died, justice has been served. No, Jack, I'm not dead. Thank you very much. I'll remember that if I ever play this
I wonder
with
who's
you.
gonna die next.
I'm gonna put a shotgun in this civilian's head. Oh, he's invincible.
Do you want me to put you out of your misery?
Where's that Rocket Raccoon?
No, McKnight!
Bloggy. Oh,
McKnight is
McKnight's
zombified!
chasing you.
Yes, he's a zombie!
Trying to kill you.
No! I
He's
need
one of
to be
those
picked up. Can you help me
backstabbing
up? Can you
zombies.
come help me up perhaps? Because I'm on the floor, walking,
Oh,
crawling.
damn it, Bloggy. Where are you? I'm so far away. Where are you?
It's right where you left McKnight, probably.
Oh, I don't know where he was. He ran away and then I didn't know where he went. His birds were chasing me, so I said, screw
Oh, I
that.
can't go
I'm
up.
coming.
There's like the stairs.
You're in the B area?
Right before the B area, yes.
Where the birds are?
Yes, exactly.
Oh, okay. I know where you are. I'm coming. Don't you worry about a thing.
Oh, I don't think you're gonna make
Old-
it in time. I'm 91%,
Old Truth-
93,
Old
94,
Truth's gonna save ya.
95, 96, 97.
Old
It's
Truth's gonna save ya.
98, 99.
Old Truth's
Died.
coming.
Now we're two zombies. Cause this is Thriller. I'm a zombie too.
Don't worry. I have the antivirus. I don't want you guys to worry about a thing. Old True is gonna come with the cure.
I'm wondering whether McKnight could control the zombie or not. Were you controlling the zombie?
You can kill the zombie once you die. Hey, I got the cure, guys. It's right here. Come get some.
You have to join us.
Cure.
Kill him, McKnight. Go get him.
Cure up in you.
Get him, McKnight. Turn him into a zombie like.
It's a cure for you.
Is that the cure? Was that the cure you were talking about?
It's totally the cure. Trust me, guys. I have lots of cure available for you.
Alright, you killed me. Oh, you did it, GG. Oh, you survived.
Oh.
Oh, nice. You win. You won the round.
Let me do some dancing real fast here to celebrate the situation.
Oh, man.
Whee!
That was so funny. That was so much fun.
Oh, that was good. I'm at 90%. I'm about to join you guys, so that was a good round, I think.
That was so good.
I'm gonna exit out
That
here. Oh,
was
got
epic.
a bird.
Nightmare mode. My goodness.
Nightmare mode is no joke.
I got.
Although with infinite ammo, that's pretty good.
You know how many points I got out of this session? 44. 44 points I got.
Dang.
Yeah.
Let's just let this bird kill me. Oh no, then I have to wait for the die as a zombie. Screw that. How do I exit?
That was so much fun.
That's fun. Let me quit. It won't let me quit.
No, you can't. I don't think you can. Wait, hold on. Maybe press select. It is.
Yeah, I did, and there's quit.
Justice would be served
But,
when Vloggy dies first. Why did you want me to die first, Cheer? Why?
Oh, I
You
didn't
don't
even see
love
that.
me?
Dang.
You don't love me? Come on.
Jack hates me and Cheer hates you, apparently.
It is too hard, McKnight. It really is too hard. My goodness.
Too hard. That's really hard, yeah. I mean, if you know the puzzles
Yeah.
with infinite ammo, that's doable. But if
I-
we didn't even know the puzzles,
I
so
was in
we
the
had to
B
waste a
area
lot of
and I was
time.
switching on those lights. And I was switching them on. I'm like, alright, I think I'm done. And then I was walking past another one that I switched on already, and one of them was off. Like, what? I keep
Oh,
switching.
so yeah.
You switch
Last
one
time we
on,
just
the other
turned
one
them all
goes
on.
off, and
Oh, that's an annoying puzzle. That's
Yeah.
definitely a Resident Evil puzzle there.
and the thing is, I don't mind doing it, trying to figure it out. But there's bees chasing you. Like, ugh, man,
The bees!
bees. But it's fine. No, we did wild things. I don't care. We completed
We
wild
did
things.
it. We beat it.
We beat it. Okay, we did it. Next time,
Ugh.
I think it's desperate times. I think it's called. Yeah, did you die as well? Oh, I'm looking at your the stream.
Yeah, a bird killed me.
Justice was served. Alright, I'm gonna have to go. I'm gonna have to call it.
Yep,
I need to
same.
cook some foods. And I think I'm gonna stream again in about, I don't know, maybe 4 hours. I'll stream again. I'll stream some
Alright,
RE7.
I'll probably be around.
Awesome sauce. I'm gonna
Oh,
go.
RE7? No, I can't take spoilers. I said.
You're gonna finish the game in like 3 years time, so you're never gonna watch. Alright, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much for playing with me, McKnight and Mr. True. As always,
Yeah,
this was...
and mystery Sydney,
And-
Resident Evil person.
Yeah, where is she? Did she just take off? Where is she? Where'd you go? Girl.
Okay, girl.
Well, anyway, I'm gonna go. Thank you so much. Thank you everyone in chat, and I will see you
Adios.
next time.